Okay. Monday motivation. Goals don't work unless you do. Goals don't work unless you do. Oh, nice. Nice, Mush. I like. All right. Dus gaan we watchen door Friday Wiesel en Riki Rose. Riki Rose en ik weet of Friday Wiesels, wie heißt das? Ex-Hasidic star Riki Rose faces her past. October 19 is geworden daarover geliked. Yesterday, such an 18,000 views. Let's get into it. Honestly, the beginning, exactly.
It can be a lot more with a singer, Riki Rose. Riki grew up here in this house as a little child, shopping here, walking these streets. She spoke Yiddish, dressed modestly, dreamed of being a boy, which she thought was cool. Our visit is more so special because I'm also from this world, albeit another Hasidic enclave, and we are both now openly speaking of our past.
Hij zegt shine enclaves. Ze sound so luscious and so comfortable.
Us in our work as Jewish content creators. We have never visited together until today.
Okay, we're in Williamsburg.
Was haben sich schon getroffen, Vater?
This is automatically. This is a little bit outside of Williamsburg because.
Ich kann einfach sagen, als ich viel wie die beide haben eine andere Weg von expressen. Friday is mehr, ich kenne nicht Friday from back in the day, ich kenne nicht Friday at all, so I could be mistaken. But you get over the vibe meer as a ruhige, and Riki's meer a fighter.
I mean, it's not outside of Williamsburg, but it's like the border of the Hasidic Williamsburg,
yes.
the Grenetz.
We're going to go this way.
The Grenetz.
Because this is the border and we're going into the real stuff.
Sie had the real sat met de Yiddish.
Into
Williamsburg.
in dem Strom, gegen dem Strom.
Into the full world.
So,
Riki grew up in Williamsburg. I did.
Yes.
You did. How many
I
years
grew
did you
up
live
in
here?
Williamsburg.
Williamsburg.
Watch your back. There's a meter thing.
We can walk super slowly. Then he.
Oh yeah. Let's walk slow.
You can have time to look.
So yeah, I grew up in Williamsburg.
So technically, was the cameraman gedacht open the camera of her backpack and walking groot.
Hasidic Williamsburg.
Riki Rose still has. Of course, how should she have anything else? Ze is opgewachsen in Alabama. Ze is opgewachsen in Williamsburg. Yesterday, we gaan ook zo. We kennen rausnehmen naar Bucher van Satmer, maar we kennen rausnehmen Satmer van de Bucher. Deze darf ze zijn, heb ze daar keine Stech or something? Of course kennen we nicht. Man, dort de building blocks. Wie die bist aufgewachsen? These are the comfortable noises in the city.
Obviously, I did not look like this growing up, but I always wanted to.
Did you see people like this in your childhood? That you were like, I wish
it was like super goyish.
Deze is de gelijk tussen Williamsburg en Monroe. Wenn die wachst auf in Monroe is alles Jiddisch. In Williamsburg hast du noch the goyische side. Like, so a Grenetz, there's Goyim. So it's a bit different people.
The jeans?
There wasn't, I didn't know that there was any Jewish people wearing jeans at all.
That is so
like, they were
funny.
complete Goyim.
Yeah.
Complete
Isn't
Goyim.
that funny that we had the sense of non-Jews wear these clothing that could define the difference between a Jew and a non-Jew?
It's wild, yeah, because you actually can never know because Jews come in all colors and
all clothing
and
all
everything.
religions.
Is ook het Friday? Sie hat a business, meaning sie macht tours in Williamsburg. So sie hat als a Maresti, wo sie darf hoben zu sich. Sie nicht kann this, oder sie nicht so wie, sie darf sich somewhat zustellen, because she's still using that area. Und sie versteht, also sie kann nicht gehen ungetein rechts, or whatever, too much, you know?
Love that. How do you feel walking around Williamsburg like this?
So I feel great. I used to walk around like this and feel very self-conscious, but I noticed it's not the people that made me feel self-conscious, it's myself, because When I wasn't confident and I was walking like this, people would look at me and tell me things. But when I'm confident and I walk like this, people don't say anything, and we talk like as if we're normal, you know?
That is very
As
interesting.
if.
So it's really something.
But this arbeit anywhere, any place. Dat je bent confident. Se du a subreddit, das heißt act like you belong. En die act wie die belongs dorten, you give up such a vibe en de mensen oplossen.
Something that's within. And obviously I wouldn't go dressed like this like on purpose, dafka, and be like, oh, I'm coming in here. It's just I happen to be wearing this today. If I'm going to my parents, I dress... I mean, I'm not invited actually at my parents' house, but if I'm going to...
This is so sad. So sad. Nicht invited. Ay, ay, ay.
My certain siblings that are more religious, I put on a long skirt, I dress
Stelt zich zie, accordingly.
accordingly.
Yeah, makes sense.
So it's like I'm not going into anyone's house now, I'm on the street, so I'm just dressed in my regular comfortable clothes. Nine?
Yes. I'm listening to you.
This is wie zwei eingeladen. This is a zwei eingeladen type of interaction.
Nine?
Right?
Yes. I'm listening to you. It makes a lot
Yeah.
of sense. It's funny because I dress like this when I come, not going to visit family, but when I visit family, I dress pretty frum. And now my mother's sick in the hospital and I'm taking shifts and I'm putting on tights and I'm putting on a shell. I'm putting all these things because I almost feel like I don't feel like there's space in her sickness for us to have a conversation about sneers and about
Makes
Yeah.
sense.
what I'm wearing. So I just
Capitulating. This has capitulating. Meaning like, Mama's in the hospital. Darf ich dir legen Salz in die Wunden? Just let us go.
but I don't feel comfortable.
Nicht in a
and I
negative way.
feel- First of all, it takes me forever to find something to wear. I put on 8,000 things until I find something.
I know, it does.
But I also feel I feel like I'll do it for her, but I wouldn't do it for just walking in the street. And a
Right.
lot of times I would not go see her if it means
Exactly.
putting
It's
on-
Yeah.
like
Just
when you're
imagine.
just walking on the street, it's different than when you're going into somebody's house.
Yeah.
By the way, that's my car over there, the blue one.
Okay, cute. I thought you're gonna point. By the way, that's where I grew up
Yeah.
or something.
No. I think I'm parked okay, yeah. It's just we grew up not being allowed to drive, so it's really cool that I get to drive in Williamsburg, you know? That feels super badass. Do you drive?
I do drive. It was super badass.
Doesn't it feel so badass to drive around in
I
Williamsburg?
feel like for driver's license gives you a lot of power, right?
It does. It makes me feel like a man, even though they said, you know, like, because the women weren't allowed to drive, it's like, oh, it makes me feel like a man when I'm driving.
You know, the driver's license, women not being allowed to drive, I would say, was always the one thing that I didn't understand why women didn't get angry and say, that's it. There's no point in us not being allowed to drive. We're taking care of all these kids. We should be able to drive.
I think it's the comfort of being like,
Driven around.
being driven around and
No.
also the
Sind
comfortable.
nicht der comfort. Come on, geen comfort. So hat is, weil man nicht keine Kontrolle. Frauen haben all, genigas die in geladen haben cars. Stell dich gute Frauen haben cars. In a keeping the oil in sneers, oder keeping them in a gate. Wenn Frauen fangen nun driven, how would this work? You know, the bad women would do things and it's too much. Too much going wild.
Being like the one who's not in charge so much.
Yeah.
Like comfortable being a press.
Can I play this 1.5?
I mean, you can't say
Then it's, I don't know.
Bad,
Ich juck mich nicht. I'm not trading today, so.
I think there's a comfort in a certain
In
position
Some
on the
kind.
is ogen, ich will gappen body language. Wenn man heert aus schmies, sag mal, mach ich es 1.5, because then is do echt major body language. Body language gaat weg als
comfort. Also, when you live in Brooklyn, it's not so necessary
Friday wordt ausgekeken wie die vrouw doen in de back.
at all. It's just good to have a driver's license, period.
Yeah, yeah.
Schließlich, hallo.
Als a Wilhelmsburger, ich kom van Monroe, so Wilhelmsburger is als a, ich will nicht nutzen das Wort Prost. Aber es hat eine Prostkeit zu sich.
I feel like you,
Mächtig, ich bin ein mächtiger
Sie ist
Bucher.
ein mächtiger Bucher.
is that how you feel? Like it makes you, it's almost gender bending?
Sometimes a little bit, like my inner
Deze
child
division.
who wants to be
Deze division, du. Globers, meine ich, ist auf der rechten Seite von du.
a boy so badly is
Riki makes me nervous because she's so rebellious. She keeps talking about her past. I really want to live life. Sie redt von ihr life because das ist was geschehen. Wenn du bist nicht mehr connected zu deinem jungen life, you have a lot of issues. Und du willst nicht alles wegwerfen, weil du es weggeworfen, but it requires you to throw everything away. So it's a conundrum. It says, wie nicht daher und nicht dahin. She acts like a little baby. I don't think so. I don't think she acts like a baby. Ich meine, sie hat die Willensburger bucherische... Also kick das aus. Moshe, kick geht. Weißt, wenn Kraus macht seine Videos, suche ich von Hevre, kick in the mirror. This is the mirror. You might not like it, but this is a part, this is the Frucht. You know, an Applebaum get a rose apple.
like so satisfied with these things, like getting into a car, even though my lock
Rambling worse than me. Finny, now you know how it takes, what it takes, huh?
doesn't work and I have to do it, my thing doesn't work and I have to do it manually. It's still like super, it feels very badass. Like
Okay, verstehe. Okay.
my inner child, my adult is like, all right, what?
Das ist auch eine Experience von Riki Rose. Sie gewollt Dakar ihr ganzes Leben, you know, und jetzt hat sie es. So she's showing you.
Whatever, I have a car, I'm doing errands. But my inner child is like, hallo, was ist
Siehst?
ich bin ein Bucher.
You see how many times sie sagt, sie ist ein Bucher? This is the projection von einer Bucher in Wilhelmsburg. Nicht jeder, of course. In Kazan, sie ist aufgewachsen mit der Sache Sechurim in daheim. So sie hat mehr als ein sucherische feel to her.
Do you associate, did your inner child associate boys with
Yeah.
Boys,
Weil Meidlich haben gut nicht gehabt. Meidlich haben gemacht Plays, sind gewesen Pink, sie haben gespielt Rope. Bucherum sind gewesen eine Sache.
were like cool.
Yes.
Girls
Yeah.
were like,
See what I'm saying?
gross, you know?
Yeah.
Boys were
Man
like,
darf nicht warten, bis sie sagt es.
Zach.
Der
They were
Sache.
allowed to sing and dance and they were wild.
That's
I always
right.
wanted to be a wilde Engel, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
But a girl had to be tznius, don't laugh too loud, don't do this, don't do that.
Yeah. I really.
You know, girls were feminine, boys were super masculine. There wasn't much room for.
But you
any
have
of-
such a feminine side to you.
I do.
Was
Yeah.
sie ist ein Meidl. But then
But
the
then
game.
A balance.
It's a balance, yeah.
All right,
Balance
let's
find
both.
it.
Let's get in.
Let's get in.
Oh.
Wow.
There's. Hallo, ich bin ein Driver.
Sie geht heraus der Inner. Moishi, kick geht in Spiegel, Moishi. Kick geht in Spiegel. Sie schämt sich noch nicht. Sie schämt sich noch nicht. You get what I'm saying? Und ich so kick in Spiegel, meine ich darf gedieren. Sie nicht ganz stark. Sie just sie was daraus the mentality.
Love it.
Instantly. Although I'm
No seatbelts? Oh yeah, it's seatbelts.
super cautious driver. I'm not a wilde driver.
Yeah, so much for your
So much
masculine
for- yeah.
energy in driving.
Just imagine so as a kleine fender bender and be like, see, that's why women shouldn't drive. At least they should have staged it that way.
But yeah, but PSF what is a
Yes.
festival. It stands for Palmstrimpen Festival.
Really?
Yes.
Palmstrimpen?
Palmstrimpen Festival.
Wow.
It's like my favorite.
It's like tongue in cheek, making fun of the stockings of women.
Pretty much. The first time I was there, they had palm tights hanging, but this year they didn't have it.
So it's schon, the PSF hat sich schon lang gechanged. Ownership, ideas. So, sie redet noch von der Alte.
They have all types of cool art. I'll send you some pictures.
Zij zijn een bis de Wahl alles geht, ist sie Masber wieso sie ist aufgewachsen und wo sie gewollt hin, all that.
Oh.
The cameraman is in the backseat.
They have.
Are they the same age? I don't think so. If I have to guess and venture out and saying, as Friday is mit 10 sie 15 Jahre älter oder 10, I'm not sure.
Like this
Brooklyn, the cameraman.
one art piece that says "Everyone needs a yoili" by Dina D. She made that art piece. Then there's another one. It's like I baked my mother in the oven a cake.
I have not seen that. That's very funny.
Vini Avodachama.
I think it's recording.
So
Amadababa.
Yeah, I think it's still going.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I also have a GoPro, so I kind of know
is that a GoPro?
Yeah, it blacks out on the screen. Yeah.
Agai prai. Agoi proi.
Deze week was zoek met Guy Prai en Goy Proi. That is the way. Sada. Also wir Juden zedek kommt man gerät sie einem in der Hasidim haben mal so einen certain Weg von weg machen. Dreift a Mercedes, a Hog, a Schmog. This was he bringt raus.
Your Yiddish is getting better by the minute. How do you know?
She has a grown son. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. I think she's like 15 years older. Or 10, 15 years. And this was an empt.
Use your Yiddish.
I use it all the time with my siblings and between friends.
All of your friends.
I was read in English, but I can't read in Yiddish.
All of your friends.
I feel the tone. Voor zomaar redden Yiddish. Yeah. She would have made a great guy.
Basically speak Yiddish.
This kind of negative.
Not all.
Positive.
A lot of them. Not all.
Is it okay to say that your boyfriend doesn't speak Yiddish?
He doesn't speak Yiddish, but he's learning on Duolingo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you need to speak to him in Yiddish?
I don't know. It's interesting.
Alles geht sich. Weißt du, wegen happy. Happy nicht kann goal. Happy nicht kann Sach. Oder bist du happy oder nicht. Some days up, some days not. Jeder tries zu sein. Jeder tries zu haben a bessere life.
It's a very separate part of my life. It's almost like I have this whole other life with him, and then I have a whole other life.
Yeah.
The reason why I keep my boyfriend a secret and separate, and I do talk about him at the shows, is because whoever comes to the show, I trust them.
Yeah.
You know, because they show up. But whoever watches from a screen
Makes sense.
and doesn't show up, I can't trust them.
What are you afraid of? I'm not asking judgment, I'm just curious.
It's just my marriage was very public and very all on social media, and it put a lot of pressure on me, feeling like I have to stay in this marriage.
I hear what you're saying.
Because of that. Look, there's so much parking.
Great.
Do you mind if I keep my pharmacy in your bag?
You can. It's all yours.
I got EpiPen, inhalers.
What are you allergic to that you need an EpiPen?
Fish. Can you believe I can't have gefilte fish?
Zoek de week was ze zoekt fish.
Need an EpiPen.
Fish.
Fish.
Can you believe I can't have gefilte fish? What kind of a Jew am I?
I'm learning so many things about you. I feel like you have to be in Williamsburg to get to know the real Riki Rose. Williamsburg.
We can separate the human side and the religious side. I mean, maybe you can, but a lot of people from Vizai Kimmen cannot. It's intertwined. It's one.
Look, I even have these glasses that are like turned into sunglasses.
Cool.
Perfect.
So now we look cool and we're in disguise. But it's just not sunny.
I always wear. I had skin cancer, so I'm obsessed with sunglasses.
What?
Yes, I know.
Oh my God.
I know the
Do people know about this?
It's not
Now they know. Now they know.
a secret.
How long was she married? How old is she? Ich weiß nicht, wie alt sie ist. She was married for a couple of years. She was married young to him. So.
Oh, wow. So your mom is a survivor.
No, it wasn't such a big deal. It
Wow.
wasn't such a big deal.
Mom is
You're like,
just
oh, it wasn't such a big deal. I just had cancer.
Because there's so many different cancers. That's what you learn once
That's
you
so
unfortunately
scary.
get close to all of that.
Oh my
She
God.
is 32 years old? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And Friday most probably is like 42, 3, so 10 years older.
See, we're
It's all guessing. I'm not 100% sure.
Did you
Oh,
notice?
yeah.
Did you notice that woman on the stoop from?
Oh, she did?
Yeah.
That's great.
Do you feel
I
like?
love it. I love being in the spotlight, being on camera. It's where I shine.
Yeah. You come out of your
I'm
shell.
photogenic.
Yeah, you come out of your shell a little bit, right?
Yeah, as soon as the camera goes on, I could be having a panic attack, but the camera comes on, You know what I mean?
bubbly personality, I must say.
Why do you think that happens for you? Like,
Because I'm just a performer. It's just who I am.
but what happens inside that turns that on?
7 Uhr? Nice.
I just love performing.
Sie ist a performer, and the problem is, as in the jiddische Welt, a Meidl kenne ich echt, there's no future for performing. So,
I don't know. It's just
Sad.
something that I love so much that
Wow.
any chance I get,
Watch.
I perform. Okay.
So, let's.
Schwarzgrossery. We used to come here, and we used to get, you know, aufschraben. You know what that means?
Aufschraben. Yes, aufschraben.
Like
Let's explain what
aufschraben.
aufschraben is.
alles
I
geht,
still
sie
see
nicht
people-
der fake part. Performen ist nicht fake. Fake is nur eine Sache, wo es darf sein real, immer faked. Get what I'm saying? Eine Sache, wo es ist performative, kommt mich heran, fake oder nicht fake.
Aufschraben.
A play is auch het fake. Aber keiner steht nicht bei der play und sagt, kick on the play is fake. Because everybody that gets there understands that that's fake. Fake is not a thing that has to happen. I mean, es ist nicht kein Part von der Sache.
So aufschraben means you put it on a
Also wie wenn einer hat lieb zu spielen auf a Keyboard und wird, wenn ist down, setzt sich rüber der Keyboard und fängt an zu spielen, wird happier. Because he's performing. He's playing. Sie hat nicht kein Keyboard, in a sense. Sie hat the camera, so she gets to perform.
tab.
Yes.
You go to
Bei unserer Welt, in der jiddische Welt, und ich du kann Plays, man macht nicht echt, ich rede von Kindern, ich rede nicht jetzt Peisach Plays, but like, what I'm saying, like in Geider oder in school, man lernt nicht aus der Sachen. So, wenn ich du die Performance-Sache, man versteht das nicht, was ich du.
the supermarket, you fill up your cart, and you say, "Oh, put it on my tab,"
Yeah, aufschraben. 6482.
and you give your phone number. Yeah. And then what would happen was if you were poor like we were, they would say, "Man kan schon nicht aufschraben. You can't put on the tab anymore. It's like you owe too much."
Well, how did that, like,
So we would be there with the cart full, and then the man would say, "Man kan schon nicht aufschraben." So I'd say, "Call my mama, call my mother," and they'd call my mother, "Please, schraub auf this one time, never."
Oh,
Never.
yeah,
And then people wonder why I have issues with money because yeah,
yeah.
this runs deep.
Man kann schon
this-
nicht aufschrauben.
This goes so deep, these childhood experiences.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
It
then-
forms your whole life, was heißt der Guy Deep?
There's Tiftov.
Let's go check out
Tiftov
the.
is
Tiftov is fine.
the.
Wait,
was
which
that
area
fun-
did you grow up
So I
in?
grew up in this block, U Street.
Okay.
Mama's here, this around the corner. So
Tiftov verkauft
Tiftov
games, no?
was-
Hardware store? Man gekauft dort the Genies, whatever it heißt.
was the hardware store where we would come and buy the bekelig, you know, the disposable pens.
Yes.
And then we would toivel them. Oh, there's the Tiftov
There's
guy.
Tifto guy, yeah.
Oh, he was so sweet.
Yeah, I know him. He's very
It was
sweet.
like it was so strange to have these nice men because my father was so scary. So when these men were like nice when we came in, it was like, oh wow, that's
Refreshing.
So
you
Find-
kind of
Wenn du
felt
das
like...
wenn du das doch auslehnen, so sehr nice. Because 30 Jahre später, you'll never know who you saved by just being nice. Yeah,
It
sie
was like-
Satmer, yeah.
it's so warm.
She's a Satmer gets.
you know, to come in here and they'd always greet you like, "Was willst du,
Yeah.
Meidele?"
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
very sweet. Two
And-
brothers.
You know, and we used to come to buy our afikoimens here too.
Really?
Everything. I even have a stamp. I still have it to this day. You know the stamps?
Yeah.
Met de aangekritst.
You can see on the door, it says, buy stamps here.
I even have a stamp. I still have it to this day. You know the stamps?
Yeah.
Met de aangekritste nummer with my name and my
You still
address.
have
It
it?
is Rivka Rosenbeck 203.
Penny, Benai Joel, shop, this alles Satmer.
I'll send you a picture of it.
Wow, what
I
do you
still
do
have
with
it.
What-
I don't know. It's just like a nostalgic
Sentimental.
thing. I just keep a little souvenir of my childhood.
It's very sweet. With all the moving to keep these things. It's
Oh, look,
worth
the
it.
Jewish old maid.
Ah,
Didn't you do a video on this?
I did a video on the other version, the one that... Oh, this also has the Yetzer Hara, but the... Look at this
Yeah.
Yetzer Hara. Looks like a caricature.
Of course.
an anti-Semitic
wild.
depiction of a Jew.
The nose?
Really horribly disturbing.
That is so funny. Oh my god.
Ja, it's rare.
Look, the sneeze on the... Do you remember? Okay, let's see.
Yes, of course.
What do you remember?
I don't know.
Die jetzt weißt du schon, wer er ist. Ja. Der Kohl ist noch bekannt. Selbe Kohl, was sie gewesen vor 40 Jahren zurück. Selbe Kohl. Ja, gesehen.
So cute. Wow, the stickers. Alles dezelfde. Ja. Ich bin schon auch lange nicht du gewesen.
Ja, das ist die Tochter.
Nein, ich pflege du kommen als Kind. Ich bin aufgewachsen du auf U Street.
Ja.
Rosenberg.
Rosenberg.
Der Pschei Rosenberg ist ein Einikel.
Nein.
Ja.
Wilhelmsburg hat gemacht sehr süße Jiden. In dieser süße Jidl. Sehen wir, der geht also das Flick. War ein süße Jidl.
Der
Rosenberg.
Pschei Rosenberg ist ein Einikel.
Nein.
Ja.
Never. Ungekommen all the way in the Schalltachtes. Never.
Nein, Rosenberg ist ein Stück Kosmoverein.
Oh ja?
Ja. Ich weiß nicht wieso, wo sind, von meinem Schwieger ist er gewesen, ist er der Kosmo.
Oh,
Aber er ist schon angespart in Stieb, geht schon nicht raus.
Amul geht er complaint das Sach. Ist gesinnt, aber complaint. Ja.
Krank in
Auf
Kopf.
dem Gesinnten noch koeig.
Ja.
Was macht der Mama?
Das du mir geben dann Business?
Nein, sie hat de fire do, komm ich schon nicht auf den Weg. Als een Jew, de stores, wie ze gekauft essen, haben sie verbrennt.
Oh, the grill and leaf?
Von dem ga ich darf nicht dort. Was will ich das nicht sagen, wie jeder ist?
The Hasidischkeit is coming out. It's so funny. The Hasidischkeit.
Konkurrent haben sie für ja, die müssen gehen durch, ja?
Wow. Let's get the mikveh over there.
Yeah,
So noch du the mikveh?
Ja.
Okay.
Ganz
Nou, wow. We
What is
vliegen ook even bekelig. We used to buy bekelig here, the pans, and because we were, not that well off, usually people throw them out. These are the pans right there.
Okay, let's take a look.
These are some of them, like the bekelig, right? So because we would reuse them, and when you reuse them, you have to toivel them. So we would toivel.
What? Oh ja, weil technically, aber nicht der Sache, einmal darf man es nicht teufeln. Just FYI. What does the store sell? A hardware store. Alle meine Sachen. Amazon on wheels.
them.
Oh, so if you use it one time, you don't have to toivel it.
If you
Yeah.
use it one time, you don't have to toivel it. Now they already make ones that are made in Israel, so you don't have to. You see here it says Ein Neu Zurich
Twila.
So you don't have to toivel it because it's made by Jewish people, but things that are not made need to be like
I didn't know if it's
dipped
made
in
by
the water.
Jewish people, it makes a difference.
Yes, because when
And
it's
tefillah?
kind of like if a goy made the
Okay, wie ze ihr Ton geht erop, aber goy macht das.
yes,
Yeah.
because when
And
it's
tefillah?
kind of like if a goy made the
The item.
the hierarchy.
Nice.
I never
Good
heard-
save.
I never heard of it.
Good save.
Wow, look what it says. Getoivelt un reshis is the twila nish kan twila.
Is that what it says?
That's what it says. And then the Madua, careful, the Madua says the Eigentümer von dem Geschäft ist Maskem, als was kauft a Keile soll koinen sein, bevor Bezul darauf gereist.
Okay, the
Okay,
custom
makes
is
sense,
auf,
makes
haben die
sense.
Keile 3 Tapuchem, bedievet eintefig, gedei koine,
Oh, man soll aufheiben.
zahn de Keile noch im
Come on.
Estreven.
So sweet.
Keine shit. It's funny.
Wow, this is crazy.
Yeah, let's
Does
look
die
at the
store
mikveh.
make money?
Deja vu
I'm sure it does. Saying, jeder eine kommt noch kaufen. Die alle Menschen, was wohnen dort.
being here.
Yeah, what is the feeling for you?
So, yeah, this is where we would toivel everything. You'd say the bruche, and then dip it in the water. And yes, they have this thing here, and I would come here when I was really little, and I'd be like, good times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel when you
Wow.
come to a place like this?
I don't know. I'm like, this is so cute.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm a little girl again at Tiftov.
At Tiftown.
And then I would like browse the toy aisle
See what you can
See
buy.
what maybe I can save my baby.
Make $60 sales a day? No, I'm sure he makes more, weil die alle Frauen kaufen nicht auf Amazon. Man darf etwas, geht man rup zu Tiftov. Man schickt rup ein Kind zu Tiftov. So.
Babysitting money to buy. The toys is still there. Everything is still where it was.
That's okay.
So
This
much
is
has changed
wild.
here.
Oh,
that this place-
cardboards.
Wow.
I remember these.
Yeah, these
Every time we had a
remind me-
school
yeah.
project.
These remind me of school projects, but also
Posters.
Stedens.
Students, yeah.
Students.
Wow, this is wild. Everything's still in the same place. This is
This is
crazy.
the
There's no stores.
Brooklyn ist noch geworden werden, noch wenn dem Tiftov haben wir mal 80 Euro ist geworden werden und halb von Wilhelmsburg, weißt du, man?
Like these.
No.
That everything stayed in the same place.
No, this looks like 20 years ago.
This is mamish like
Penny, I just
getting to see
meant
a
to say
little.
that.
It's almost like time traveling.
Look at these. This so reminds me of when I was a kid. We played with these little figurines.
But the question is, oh, Mr. Potato Head. The question is, die Kinder handige Tag ein hoben als ehrliche Stores, sie feel nostalgic.
Toy, the Taiva.
The Taiva, yeah.
Yeah.
No,
They even had, I think one time I saw like a Barbie, but we weren't allowed to buy it. 'Cause
Oei.
The Barbie was an adult doll. Now, do
why
they
would
still
bring
have
in
it?
a Barbie?
I know. Do they still know they don't have it anymore?
Someone bought it. Someone was very lucky. That looks like it might be a Barbie. No.
This one? No,
No.
it's the
So
so cute. Wow.
Jump rope. Do you also know
Yes.
all these chants? Like,
I tried to play always with the boys because I wanted to be a boy. So I would have like business cards and play money and play Galuchem Luft.
wow.
Or Maluchem Luft? No, Galuchem.
Galuchem, 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
Galuchem.
Galuchem
Which is
Luft,
like
yeah, yeah.
priests. 1, 2, 3.
So, so I wasn't very girly, but I played Kugelach.
Oh, this is play money.
Sometimes I would play like rope, and
Do you know Kugelach?
I do. Yeah, I'm very good at it. I can
Really?
get to
Patschgeifer.
Heilig, like what is it?
Oh, then.
Zibbet Heilig in like one shot.
Really?
They
Okay,
should-
I'm
Probably
gonna
not
buy,
Ze
any
darf machen an Olympics. Kugelig in Olympics.
more, but I used to. But
I'm gonna buy Kugelach and we're gonna see if we can have you record it.
oh yeah, I would love that.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let me
Maybe
see.
they have some.
Yeah, let's ask because I don't see any here.
Brooklyn, when man owned the store in the 1940s, the electric bill go nicht.
I think they have it in the front because when we used to buy it here, we used to come to the front.
This is literally something you don't see anymore. Remember this from
Toby the Dove, hello and welcome. How are you?
makeup from
Was again Shabbos? Was again weekend?
Oh my god. These glitter crayons. Literally this.
You put it on your face. Peter, and you became a clown.
They stick it in the Peter makeup.
Where are the prices? It's one of those things that was geschenkt off a spot, I'm guessing. Aisle 4 is alles 432.
Yeah,
Aisle 3?
exactly.
I can't believe this. This is
It's
like,
like stuck in time. You don't know how to make this? This part of your
oh, the
girly-
vlechters.
Yeah.
I know. I never got to make
Vlechters.
those.
Wel, deze had me getien in camp.
Anymore, but I'm pretty
Vlechters had me getien in camp.
sure I knew how to do it.
Tisha B'Av.
Chalk
Hoeveel
set.
kost? Zeg, hoeveel kost dat? $9 kost vlechters.
Sorry.
Bless you.
You remember Oriental trading? Oh yeah, online, right?
Online. I mean, there was no online. You got
What was it, like a catalog? Or
you got a
something?
catalog in the mail with all of these schmunzes like this that you
Yeah,
bought in
yeah.
bulk.
Schmanzes equals jokes.
This makes me think of Oriental trading.
And the stamps.
All right, let's see if we can get
Wow, wow.
Kugelach.
Let's see. I remember they used to be in the front.
I remember
See if they
for a
still are.
decoration of a poetry notebook, I had them cut a little piece of chain. I was so proud of my chain in my poetry notebook. It was all
really?
about the golden kite.
Oh, that's so cute. I know. The golden kite. Wow. We're looking for Kugelach.
What's that?
What?
You know what Kugelach are?
Cookies, I know cookies, I know.
You know what Kugelach are.
Boston, let's do the golden again.
Ja, als du de golden is, de zilberne.
I mean, es du zwei Mine, welches der Gitte? Beide sind gut.
Deze größer. Welche kennst du besser?
Deze Gitte, ja.
Okay. What else should we
Ah,
get?
ze doen een jiddische Sudoku. Cool.
You know how to play Google?
Aber warte, ich kann umkommen bei 70 heilig in ein Schuss.
Kiwi happy ze is, wenn man fragt. Hey, een Schuss.
That's what she says. We're gonna put her to the
Ich habe
test.
schon sehr lange nicht gespielt,
I
Google.
don't believe her, you know?
Can we put her to the test?
We could try.
So, nee, wieso ist das ganz interessant, du? Ja?
Es ist noch altijd, es wird noch mehr interessant.
Ja.
Also ich meine, was macht deine Mama?
Wacht
Baruch Hashem, I'm happy to hear.
Zijn mama leeft nog.
Happy to hear.
Wow.
Your brother was here a minute ago. Oh, wow.
Skoja.
Oh my,
This is also, you know, old-fashioned.
Ja, ja.
Alles du is alsof je
Het is vintage.
Ik ben ook old-fashioned.
Dan hebben we dat bissel.
Ja.
De blauwe hemmet, hè. Maar gaat eraan
Another
naar...
day, another era.
Mooi dat ding.
Last time is er gegangen, dacht je maar, eine von den Clips, wie ich red mit dir, sie was
Ja, 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 ja.
Ergens wie een klopt me gezocht dat ze doen een clip.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
brother-in-law showed it to me.
Zie?
He showed me.
I knew something.
I have a picture with you with your girlfriend.
This is a real Hasidische week, was het juist gezocht. You and your girlfriend.
Yeah, I have a picture with you with your girlfriend.
Jesus.
You're in a few of my clips. I can understand why the rumors are swirling. Okay.
Aber die was noch kein Mensch noch gewesen, ich meine.
Als Kind, nicht als ein Adult. Nein, nein, nein. Schon ist gewesen eine lange Zeit.
Als behaved zijn hij.
Gebehaved?
Ja.
Ga je? Morning, good morning. This is van Friday Wiesel gegangen mit Riki Rose. Zurück heim. Heim zum Taten.
Gebehaved.
How about you, Chaim?
Als kind?
Als kind fliegt met de gang van ja.
Oh nein, ich habe nicht gegangen. Was? Nein.
Ik doe het nog mooi gegaan te gaan, want ik wist du sei een strenge mens en de lot is gegaan.
You were the
Me
strenge
and my
man.
father, me and my father.
He is a
Okay, so
talker,
I
yeah.
got this.
Especially to his girlfriend.
I haven't played in years, so I'm a little
Dit is
rusty.
de eerste level.
Ja. De tweede darf man gappen zwei.
Yeah.
En
Stap nou.
Ja.
Laat maar zien, kennst du met de rechterhand.
nou, ik ben naar gelinkt terug kennis.
Nein, go to level 3.
Let's try.
Deze Einsach in Wilhelmsburg haben sie gemacht. Es ist also rausgekommen, süße Wilhelmsburger Jiden. In is als süße
Met de
Wilhelmsburger.
rechterhand.
No way, don't even try.
I'm in it. Joei. Zo zo clumsy, de rechterhand.
Der Joi gewinnt een Hasidische Joi.
I'm in it. Joei.
Joi.
Zo zo clumsy, de rechterhand. No.
Okay, go back to the...
Oké, nog een keer deze, ja? I'm gewoon geskipt eens.
Nog niet door de nice Michigaanse deze.
nein.
Oh, this is...
Moest je deze?
Dat ik me jetzt. Het gaat alle mijn wegen gaat het. Sarana, Roos.
Oh, interessant.
get the salesman.
Oh, that's so cool. Sehr interessant.
Gaat toch eraan eins en ander.
Oh, wow.
Wow, interessant.
That's so cool.
Hoeveel stukken is deze? 2?
2 stukken, aber man einmal der Heiz tun, kannst du es so bleiben.
Laten we zien. Oh, wow. Deze geht voor de nerven, ne?
Ja, ja.
Het is een fidget spinner.
Die is ook nerven, die is nerven.
Ik had ze team met de nerven.
Aber so ist... Das ist eigentlich... Ich kann einfach nicht machen, de eerste level.
En dat is pat schijf.
Oh,
Das
no,
ist
no.
was ich kann.
Oh,
Wow.
good one, Ricky.
I didn't know I still got it. I still got
Yeah, hold on. I'm gonna take a picture with my own.
it. I still got it.
I feel as if this should be your career. You should charge for that. The
Professional kugelig player.
professional kugelig player. Do it.
It's another way I got to be a boy.
Yeah,
I missed
okay.
one.
Okay, we.
Als dat dan is finalized,
What finalized?
het is egal.
Ga je hem op?
Wow. Wow, nice.
Dan moest du al
Noch nicht noch Peisig. Wann pflegt er eigentlich mit Kugelig? Peisig, ich gewinne den Strick. Ich meine noch schweres.
ja schijf.
Brooklyn in de Arbeitmeger. Meeg. Arbeit in een hardware store. Meeg.
Isa va Isa. What was the other one? Gits.
Wow.
There's a whole lot of levels.
Private house.
Patschgai.
Fun stuff. I feel like a kid again.
We're gonna have to record every level, you know, so I have like a how to play Kugelich video.
Did we save the thing?
Yeah, I have it.
Put it back in it.
Cool, dat is aan
Is was with the process?
100%.
Mooi dat ik.
Okay, perfect.
Shkoya.
Shkoya, Khadija, Shkoya, it's good to see you. It's good to see you.
Same here, same.
Yeah, I'll see you again soon, hopefully.
It's a winter geider game. Wel, basketball en baseball, ik weet ik weet meer summer sports, I see. Alles good, I'm just rolling a little.
Wat stuk is het?
Zullen we maar eigen?
Wat?
Wat? Vind je Shai Rosenberg? Mijn tante is de oudste, Wolvi. Ze zijn opgewachsen, 2 of 3 jaar.
Riki Rosenberg. Was weiß ich, wer das ist?
Stromayer rief men hem ook.
Normal.
De oudste.
Ich sag, wen mal reden, Freitag.
Oh ja?
Hij had de iPad. Psh, what's happening?
Nice guy. Nice.
Nice guy. Ja, sure.
Ja.
Jetzt haben wir doch schon ja gesehen. Wo das so.
Shai is the best. Ja. Ich bin gewesen Gastung at Jolie Weiss, van 7 jaar. De zinger. Machen wir ein Interview. Jolie Weiss, de zinger, ook het Shai Weiss is aan eigenlijk.
Ze haben gekauft Kugelach.
Wem
Wat
da
in zijn Gastung gaat meer was?
kommt? Sie sind Kosenheist.
A cousin, ja?
Cousin?
Ben je gasting uit zijn cousin?
Nein, even Zaira wachten, niet kan nu de cousin.
Kinder als togen?
Ich hab that picture.
Nein, even Zaira
Yeah, he took out his camera.
wachten,
Yes?
niet kan nu de cousin.
I got that hype over the iPad.
Kinder als togen?
Boom, you have that
Nee.
picture.
Baruch Hashem.
Ja, Kinder. Wie viel hast du?
Ich habe ein Kind, ja. Und jetzt ist sie schon meine Tochter, weil du bist die zweite Kinder. Ich habe schon 2 Kinder jetzt.
Die bist es
Ze was al zo jong te passen met aan
Die
tafel.
bist es wie 23.
Ich bin schon in der Schleusche.
Ja, bist du?
Schnaps live,
Zeker.
32.
32, oh nice.
Ich will sie kein Lehnen.
Ja, auch.
Ja, sie ist eine lamdische Frau.
Shai Rosenberg. Shai Rosenberg. En mijn andere zijde is Leibe Schwarz.
Ein Scheiner von der Zweiten.
Scheine Jiden,
Scheine
Scheine
Mischpache.
Jiden, ja.
Leib ich was für Satmer.
Ja. Jekla Kekels Brieder. Ja.
Okay,
Show
nooit.
like
Goeie
Jewish
zaak
geographies. We've been to Williamsburg.
Ja.
Do you find it surprising that people aren't hostile, that people actually are either intrigued, filming, maybe judging,
Du bij de koner de fish store. Du a fish store met a hit store. Deze poppen.
or yentening?
Niet poppen.
Oh.
Poppengeiten.
Yentening a little bit, but I enjoy it because, like I said, I'm a
They have such a... Zij komen van Williamsburg. I mean, Ricky komt van Williamsburg en de andere komt van Monroe.
performer and I enjoy the spotlight. So I don't mind it. Some people may mind it. It's also very intriguing. I don't find it judgmental, really. And even if they are,
No,
they're-
listen is de koner.
the way they live their life, it's just set out for it's normal to be judgmental when you see someone on the outside walking around in pants. It's like,
Yeah.
maybe curious.
Curious. I think there's a lot of
Curious,
curiosity.
yeah. Once in a while you'll see a little bit of a look, but it's like,
I feel like
Brooklyn, wo bist du confused?
whatever, you don't
than-
get fazed by that.
yeah, I feel like more than anything, really the only negative experience I have is when people feel encroached on their lives. Like,
Right, like don't film me.
Don't film
like,
me,
Like this lady was
exactly.
passing, she's like,
yeah, don't
you know,
film
she
me.
doesn't want to be filmed, which is normal, not even in the Hasidic world.
Yeah.
And wow, this block has changed.
How so?
First of all, this over there, the first building used to be, the whole building
Yes.
is gone.
Yes.
It used to be felty hats
Oh.
on top,
Yes.
fish store on the bottom, and it used to
I
be
called
a bakery.
Yes, I
And now
love
it's
the
a new
bakery.
fancy building.
Let's go up close. I used to bring my tours to the bakery. And
So this bakery, Teferis,
yeah, I loved it. I loved it. It was very Heimish.
it's a whole
It was
new
very
thing.
homemade. What happened? What did they put
It's
in
gone.
here?
It feels kind of sad, no?
Yeah, there's no shops.
That's why
here
it's so nice to go into Tiftov and see everything still the same.
Because everything is changing really quickly.
Change is hard to like.
Ze doen-
It's hard. It feels like
De
a
alte picture van Williamsburg, zet me felty het, is ze gewoon deconer.
part of you dies.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes, I know.
So it's like good to see something still alive.
So this is where there used to be a really heimish little bakery.
Yeah,
where
yeah,
they didn't make this
Tefedes.
like commercial stuff. It was more like
Yeah.
homemade, and I would bring my tours here. And that used to be a theater, so this was like an interesting
what?
block. Yeah,
De
this
Shield.
used to
Theater?
be a theater. Yeah, the Klosenberg.
Oh, Klosenberg.
Shield.
Okay.
No way.
Yeah, look, let me show you some.
Also wie Wien, bij de corner van Lee and Division.
That's wild. That's before Klosenberg because I
Before
remember it.
Klosenberg, yeah.
Yeah,
Before
so
Klosenberg.
we're talking years ago.
So it used to be 2 theater doors, and they painted over one, and they made just one lopsided door. See, it's off center.
Ah,
Yeah.
Charme
because they
Shillem Zev.
covered this door.
interesting.
Yeah.
Wow, who would have known?
But look at this shoe place. Did you ever take
Oh
shoes there?
yes, of course. It's also still open.
That's also very nostalgic.
Oh wow.
Who still even
I
repairs
cannot
their shoes?
I don't know.
I do.
I see them.
Whoa. I do. I repair my shoes. When I buy new shoes, like I get off soles right away.
Take a look at Ricky's shoes.
I'm wearing an ankle bracelet. I'm under house arrest.
I really like
Ugh.
that you have little wallets.
It's for drugs.
What's happening?
That's a joke.
It's a joke.
That's a joke. The only
Chill.
drug we are into is high on life.
Utamaran and
Yeah,
Utamaros.
breathing in and out.
The name of my song.
Get a plug.
Wow, this is still going on? I came here to put tabs on my shoes. Remember
Yes,
tabs?
Yes.
What
do
new
tabs
shoes?
do?
We put tabs.
Ze doen nog a shoe store in of Lee Corner Keep. Kijk niet bij Rodney. I mean, Bedford Corner. Bedford? Mij is Bedford Corner Rodney.
It
They
kept
protected it.
Oh, the Lee.
yeah, from the shoe, from the bottom of the shoe, from getting scraped off.
So-
Tabs is wie dan vies wel gelijk de meeste pressure to keep the shoes for longer.
Instead of scraping a shoe, you scrape the tab, which could be replaced.
Yeah. Used to put tabs. They would nail it in every
Yeah.
time you got new shoes.
We also did
Oh
it.
my God! Wow.
Can we take a look inside? This also looks like a real... Oh, it's a shoe store. It smells like leather and like an old shoe store.
Oh wow! It smells so good.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Leather and peaches and
Smells
air
like-
condition.
Lekker beetjes in there.
This is crazy.
Weer de shoe guy.
All shoes are $100.
Who says that?
It says over there.
Oh, really?
It's so cool. It's not the same guy that used to be here,
No.
is it? Hello.
Jimmy.
We're just
Hello,
looking
welcome.
around. We're making a video about Williamsburg.
Okay, very good.
Can we film you working?
Me only working.
What?
Only worker. My boss is Jewish.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got
Now
it.
I'm not busy. Only me.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
it's the summer.
Yeah, summer, that's why.
Yeah. Do you still put the tabs on the shoes? Yeah?
Can we
It's
see?
still going on.
Why would it stop? Why would it stop? Maar kijk nog met dezelfde shoe.
Oh wow. Look at this.
Jimmy, how are you?
It still
Wow.
goes on the
Only
shoes.
this area.
How do you put it on high-heeled shoes?
If I heels and thin heels, no.
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 From this in the back, for men, for women.
Wow.
For men's and women's.
So cool.
I like
Sheikh
this place.
level.
Yes.
A sheikh level. A shoe spoon. Really, it's called a shoehorn, right?
Does YouTube let you make pictures black and white? Meaning?
I know. We called it a level.
Sheikh
Sheikh level.
Sheikh level. Sheikh level.
You're cracking yourself up. I'm looking for the measuring thing. You know, it was so
Oh,
fun when they finally got to you and measured your foot with that
Oh yeah, the thing.
the ruler.
Ich will gaan testers.
So nostalgic.
Okay, let's go back. Look at
Nostalgia.
this. Met de heimgekot vandame. Mami, ze hebben niet a size 6.
Good times.
This is it.
Du fühlt man ein bisschen wie Fridays mehr loose. you know?
Wow, they built the whole porch.
Where you grew up.
Oh, no, I don't know. Maybe it could be a good option, no? Don't know.
Yeah,
over
we
there?
didn't have that porch.
Interesting.
203, the whole thing changed. The gate is still the same.
Quit my job, so we're working on the next. Shimmy, das ist doch oben great luck and riesige Mazel.
The gate
Wow,
is still the
good for
same.
you. It's a positive move.
I remember this gate.
This looks like a new porch.
The door is different. It's new.
Lass uns wissen, Shimmy, was dit so.
The porch is new. Yeah, we didn't have a porch. That's the floor we grew up on. Oh, and they built another 2 floors.
You were the top floor,
No, we were this one where the porch is.
and then there, and
The
yeah.
whole thing changed. Wow. Feels like my childhood just really died.
Yeah, I'm
Oy,
sorry. Maybe we shouldn't
yes.
have done that. I interviewed someone who said that, you know, you go back to your childhood home and you see how it's changed, and it's like
It's so sad.
sad.
Wow.
And it's
The steps.
Ich hatte das Gefühl, wenn ich bin zurückgegangen, von wie ich kam, ich habe gesehen, was man dort getan. So I can kind of understand
Is
it.
different. They painted it black. No, it was always black, but the door wasn't black. Just trying to figure out. And there's cameras now.
Modernisiert.
there.
Look, they got cameras.
Modernisiert.
Wow, I can't believe it.
Shimmy,
It's gone. I can't
welke mean arbeid are you looking for? Welke mean field?
even see the windows. We had a
you-
back porch too. Maybe they built out in the back
Most
and made
probably.
this into a porch.
Oh, they added space.
Well, you know, change is a good thing. So maybe the people who live there now have a bigger apartment, more space. Because we grew up in a 2-bedroom apartment
Yeah,
with 8 kids.
Wow.
and 2
So-
parents.
Well, we didn't have all the 8 kids at once in the house because 2 got married and then my mother had another 2. My brothers went to yeshiva. So it wasn't always mamish 10 people in the house. But
Yeah.
we were a big family for a 2-bedroom apartment. Wow.
master bedroom, a second children bedroom.
That's it, 2
That's
bedrooms.
it.
Yeah.
Was je bij
And then
Willensburg?
we had the big pull-out couch, and a bunch of us slept on that. It was a lot of fun, actually. I wouldn't have traded in my childhood for anything else.
That's
It was
sweet.
so much fun. Well, all right. Well,
So
Ken zijn de disappointment.
you're pretty close to your sisters. Do you think it's because you grew up in this like rambunctious?
yeah, we were like we had a lot of fun. We kept each other entertained.
Shimmy, ich bin einmal weggegangen von Arbeit. Von gearbeitet von einem Mensch 5 Uhr. Ich bin weggegangen. Ich habe nicht gewiss, wie ich gehe gehen. Und eine Woche später bin ich gewesen, schon busy mit der nächsten Sache. So, don't give up, Shimmy. You might, the might thing might be tomorrow, you know what I mean?
And my mother, like, we had a pretty good childhood. Yeah, there was abuse and stuff.
The diamonds and industry stuff. All right. I hope you find the right one, the right
happening,
gig.
It doesn't take away from all the great things of growing up, you know, within a big family. We never fought a lot, like me and my siblings. We got along very well. So,
It's such a gift.
yeah, we really got along very well. We still do.
Well, they're in your videos often,
Yeah.
right? Your sister, your
My
brother.
sister, my brother, my niece.
It's very sweet.
We're very together, my family. Like, it's sad that for like a long period of time, I was kind of outside of the family because when I got married, 13, almost 14
Tashers is in Lakewood? Oh, ik denk ben ik in Brooklyn. So, don't know.
years ago, my father disowned me, right?
No, it's a question. Tashers is gewein in Brooklyn, bij mir, Flatbush.
And my father disowned me, right? And my
Father disowned. Weg me mention this. He doesn't deserve anybody. He doesn't deserve nothing, this guy.
siblings were afraid of this whole new dynamic. So we didn't stay close. I kind of went and had my ex-husband and his family and kind of like forgot mostly about my family, just saw each other maybe once a year. But I wasn't invited to like Hanukkah parties, to things that were happening in my parents' home. And like after I got divorced and my little sister also got married and also got disowned by my father.
De andere Schwester is ook het geworden disowned. Oh, man. He deserves nothing but pain.
That's when things started shifting in my family. They started inviting me more and we started like uniting more
Maar dat van Roos waar van de taten.
because we were like, we don't want to lose another sibling.
Yeah.
So
Guilt.
I'm grateful that we're like much more united now.
Yeah.
Good for you,
And,
Riki.
Like we were when we were kids, you know? Anyway, so yeah, that's the story of us growing up in 203 Use next to Maluchem Shiel.
Where is Malachim Shiel?
This is Maluchem Shiel right here.
Uh-huh.
And that over there is Kalev Shiel.
The big balcony is...
The big
that's
balcony,
Malachim Shiel.
they renovated that, looks like. It was a little different.
Where did you daven? Where
But
did
that's
your family
Kalev
daven?
Shiel. My father davened in Shapran, which is 2 blocks like that way. And Shapran Salka. No, oh, I'm sorry, no. What am I saying? Shapran is over there. My brothers went to school in Shapran. The Shiel is over there. My father davened in Salka. Salka, Bedford, not Salka Use. There's 2 Salkas. Salka Fish on Bedford. So, yeah. But we would go every Simchas Torah, which is also my birthday, by the way. I was born on Simchas Torah. We would go and do hakufas in all of these. We would go to Maluchem, we would go to Kalev, we would go to Shapran, and then we would go to Salka. And then after that, we would go to Montevideo. You know who that is?
No.
Leitner? Rebbe Avrom Leitner?
I know of
Yeah.
him.
So yeah. And then when we would come home, I was a little kid, I would copy all the Rebbes in the way that they dance.
Really?
So the Kalev Rebbe danced like that. And Shapran Rebbe danced like this.
Like
And then-
how? I didn't
I don't remember, but my mother tells the story. She says, Rivkele vielleicht noch machen der Rebbes, and sie vielleicht tanzen also. Like, I think Kaleva went like this way and back and forth, and this guy went in circles or whatever it was. I don't remember.
It makes me sad, the
I was
video.
too-
Other choose an andere word. Maybe not sad. Maybe it makes you emotional. Maybe it makes you, gekwetscht.
busy
Sad?
trying to memorize
Could be.
Miami Boys Choir choreography. That was more fascinating to me than the Rebbe's. But my mother was so excited that I was copying the Rebbe's.
By your little act.
Yeah.
So your parents don't live here anymore.
So no, they moved about like 10 years ago, a few years after I got married. They moved to Muncie. And they bought a house.
How come they moved out?
My father's been talking about moving for years. I mean, they were supposed to live here temporarily when they...
Got this apartment.
The whole thing is like really strange because my father is a very mysterious person. He doesn't talk about his plans or anything. He's just like,
Just disowned kinderen, hij gaat water. Scheute was dat is.
he lives in this house, in this 2-bedroom apartment, raising all the kids. And then all of a sudden, when almost everybody's married and there's only 2 kids left in the house, he just buys a house in Muncie. Nobody knows where he has the money from. He doesn't talk about it. All the years he's saying he doesn't have any money. All of a sudden he buys a house. It's very strange. And now he lives in a nice big house in Muncie. They already live in their 2nd house now in Muncie. He was my father considered himself to be a very like classy, smart,
Ja, smart, but yet disowned their zijn family. Scheute.
better than everyone type of dude where it's passt ihm nicht zu schreien. Like not the type of person. He never even yelled at us. All he did was, and you knew like you gotta behave.
Wow.
He's a strange dude.
You haven't spoken to him
It's
at
so
all.
weird because I think maybe he's listening to everything I'm saying about him.
Hopefully heet het. En hoop zit het hem vai.
So it's a little weird.
It is.
Do you think he is?
My siblings were telling me that in my interview with Nachi, I was being very kind to him and painting him in a very good light.
Oh yeah?
So I'm like, I'm not trying to paint him in a really bad light, but I'm sure he went through whatever he went through, but he was,
Yeah. I hear
it
you.
was pretty bad.
Yeah. You had a hard time.
It was pretty bad, yeah.
In our interview, you
it was-
talked about like your mother hiding musical instruments from him. I guess that's where my impression of him.
Right. He
So
was.
informed by.
It was just like he wasn't like an abusive person who just goes around hitting everybody. He was just so mysterious. You never knew what his next move was going to be. So you just constantly lived in fear around him.
Yay, yay. Hij was gemacht 8 Kinder. Good.
Like
Pots.
you never knew, and it was super unexpected, and you never knew when he's gonna like lose his shit or what's gonna happen or what he's gonna do. And he never even did anything so scary, but sometimes he'd make really scary threats. And it was just scary to be around him as a little kid, you know?
Does it
It's
bother
like the person who's supposed to protect you
Yep.
is just making
Hopefully he dies alone.
you fear your life.
Yeah.
Hij zegt zaken, drijf me op de wazoo. De wazoo drijft me zelf.
So, I don't know. He must have gone through whatever he went through. I don't think he's a bad person. Nobody is.
Oh, sure.
But
If nobody's,
it's just-
if nobody's a bad person,
that's the story.
nobody's a bad person. Ik ken door nemen vind of mensen, we zijn een bad.
I don't know. Maybe some people are bad people, but I hear what you're saying. I mean, when it comes to flawed parents, I think it's.
I don't know. It's so complicated.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
are you upset that you're estranged with him? Or is
No, because, I mean, if he changes and wants to have a relationship, fine. But the way he is now, I don't even. It's good that he estranged me, so I don't have to do the estranging. You know,
I hear
because
you.
he's just not healthy, not aware, not present, like completely not here. He's just, I don't know where he's living, somewhere else.
Time to forgive? I see, okay.
So,
I hear you. Okay, well, let's look at more places.
laten we maken jokes. Let's keep it light and
yeah,
funny.
we're keeping.
Yeah, it's getting too heavy. It's funny, this almost turned into like an interview.
I know.
But it's the fun kind of interview.
It's more
right?
fun. It's more fun to be
than to just sit in a thing and whatever. Anyway, so did you have like cousins or siblings in Williamsburg? Would you come to
Oh my
Williamsburg
goodness.
often?
My parents moved to Williamsburg. So my parents moved to Kiryas Joel about the time I was born, right before I was born.
Oh,
and
wow. And they were from here.
and they were from Williamsburg. They had gotten married in Williamsburg and started the family in Williamsburg.
Are they Aroinam?
They're Aroinam. Yeah. And we never
We're B'nai Yoel.
we're so
Funny zoekt de Aroinam. Aroinam zijn against Aloinam in de Zioinam. In Zaloinam zijn against Aroinam in de Zioinam.
into B'nai
Just
Yoel.
imagine.
As an adult, I feel so
Yeah, sorry about the robbery. The burglary, Toby.
bad about how we
Shimmy zoekt hevigi. People that can't look after 8 kids can't look after 2. Deze is Emmes. Dat zeg maar wie Tzisach is Tzisach. But it's crazy. As the tata kennish repenten, tata kennish rikim en zoeken, I made a mistake. Dan mag zijn besser. Dan mag zijn, die halstig of de wegen, you cuckoo. You don't
kids
deserve it.
taunted the B'nai Yoel. We said, "Foi, foi, B'nai Yoel."
Right. It's funny that
CG, foi benayo. I just want to say,
we look like this, and I'm like, I'm B'nai Yoel. And she's like, I'm Aroini. And we're like,
good one.
You can leave the fold, you can leave the religion, you leave orthodoxy, but you cannot leave the B'nai Yoel.
No.
Ja, wel, deze geween als kind. Anything als kind.
Any faction.
Ik verstaan niet what they're saying is. Like, ze voelt je ja, this. But it's not. Just reality.
no, you cannot.
The sub faction you're forever affiliated with.
Yes.
But
It
when
will
I was-
haunt you.
It will, yeah. It's funny, we do
Just gewollt dat wegen love, CG. Verstaast?
have something in common, I think, with these sub factions that B'nai Yoel was.
No, obviously, Shimmy, if somebody can't say sorry, it doesn't make a difference how many kids. Of course not. Why would having kids be able to? But to disown a kind? Come on.
A little bit seen as dowdy and extreme, and also my cousins, being the Monroe relative, was also seen as being the extremes. Like, some of my cousins made me feel like I wasn't cool enough for them because they were so Williamsburg fancy,
Williamsburg fan.
Right.
and we
right.
were Monroe Yanchi.
Janshi.
Yeah, you're like the. Oh, so Williamsburg. So we had that with Borough Park, where Borough Park was the
Yes.
fancy one.
Yes.
Obviously, is the goal to forgiving in Leben, Kumbaya, hoop magiten tog, aufstehen mit a smile, and jeden Tag is sunny. But wenn einer geht durch etwas in life, ist geriggelt im Kopf jeden Tag, ihr sei gering zu tun, just forgive. No, not everybody could forgive. Not every pain is no, nicht jede Sache kann man vergeben, nicht jede Sache ist nur a slight damage, du wirst es heavy damage, so du wirst begleitet ein ganzes Leben. I'm just saying, nicht jeder einer kann.
And,
We had that. Bar Park was more fancy than Williamsburg.
Right.
Williamsburg was more fancy than.
But if,
That is the goal. The goal is, sie sagen geht, in Geschmack, in Vergeben. That would be the goal. But nicht jeder einer kann.
coming from Monroe, I guess.
Yeah, Monroe. I wanted to show you this. See?
Kol Shem
Shabbos,
gotcha.
yeah. And it says Williamsburg hier Shabbos 22 Uhr Getreideschaft von Heiligen Shabbos Kodesh.
So, okay.
This is, I'm pretty sure about the Erev. Can you describe?
Brooklyn, redden, by the way, is a große Helf. Wenn man redt, helft das. Wenn ein Mensch redt aus an Pain, nicht bitchen, nicht am Schelten. Einer, was redt aus an Pain, wird besser. Ja, weil man redt von etwas 10 Uhr, meint nicht, als der Pain, was man da herangeteen, when you're young, when the brain still develops, is not going to go away from 10 years. It takes a lifetime. Wegen dem darf man sein careful.
But it was
Before
like,
you make kids, just realize, wo die Geistdienste sind.
in Williamsburg
So-
when they built the Erev.
So there wasn't ever like before that an Eid of here, right? And when they built,
You could have one kid and not be a good parent. Yes, of course. The amount of kids doesn't necessarily mean that die guys are a good oder schlechte parent. But as sag mal du overwhelming, wenn du Menschen was wenn wollten nur gehabt 4 Kinder, wollten sie gekannt geben mehr attention zu 4, wie hoben nan in nicht kennen mehr für kein eins.
one, the only people who started to carry were like it wasn't Satmar, so everything outside of Satmar, the more Mediterranean people with Scheitler, the like,
People with Scheitler.
if you saw them carrying, you knew like they were not Satmar most likely. I don't know how it is now. I'm sure it's much more lenient now. It's
Yeah, of
like,
course.
it's
It'll be all
probably
under that.
changed. But at the time, it was like the few people who were carrying would get yelled at by this group of men.
I say just move on. Some people could move on. Some people can't just move on. You don't know.
Women weren't doing the yelling. It was a group of men who would go around and yell, and maybe some random boys or whatever.
What would
so
they
it was
yell?
a very masculine thing to do, so I decided I'm gonna yell too. I started yelling at people carrying, and I would say Shabbos. But obviously I would do it in a joking way so they wouldn't get offended. But they looked at me like I was crazy, because what Hasidic girl would do this? You know?
That is so funny.
So obviously it was very not normal to do that, but then again, I am not the normal type here.
Did you not absorb the message in the Hasidic community that's so prevalent of you have to think about what other people say, and that's the most important thing? Wisval mentions, so what will people say? They'll say you're crazy.
Yeah, I never had that. I know it kind of ingrained in us, and they try to teach us from a young age. But that's one of the things actually that I owe. I think it's my father. It comes from my father. My father always wants to be different than everybody else, and he always told us, "Za anders."
Really?
He's like, "Don't be the same as everybody else." And it's in me. It's like
Shimmy, and that's the way to do it. And that's the way to do it.
a Rosenberg thing. It's like my whole Rosenberg family is like that. We think we're like in Svarsteimer the best. Zijn we grootste Svarsteiers.
I feel like that's the
You
difference
know?
between Igvatsoi, which is this breakaway faction, and regular people. Is regular people are the ones who keep their heads down and want to be like everyone else.
Right, the big Vatson were like a little more rebellious. The B'nai Yoel were rebellious to begin with, maybe in an extreme way, but they were a little bit of rebels, right?
Yeah, because they went against the grain. We looked at them as dowdy because they were extra.
Zeh, Shimmy? There you go. There you go. Wenn es wohl gewesen, also wie ihr Tate du, wollte noch gewesen in draußen in wer weiß, was noch hat ihn. Sie wollte noch viel gelebt.
About religion, like everything about them was like more extreme. But
Exactly.
that itself, I can see now as an.
Why not? Nobody killed anybody or harmed anybody. If that's the case, they don't. But most situations, it's childish stuff. No, not true. And killing doesn't have to be physically. Killing can sein, bereden a kind, den a rubringen a kind a ganze Zeit. What are you saying?
But
No, it's
even,
rebellion.
yeah, it's rebellion in an opposite direction. So I went and rebelled in
Toby?
a different direction.
Agreed with Toby. Love is the most powerful strength. Yep.
But I did exactly what my father taught me to.
Jimmy, ze doen mensen was kennen. Hoeben de kinderen is niet de meester. Jeder Mensch für sich. Auch hat du affekt, a die hast Sach kann sein overwhelm. Nicht für jedem. Du Menschen was kommen von einer Sprache von 14, 16 Kinder. They're all great.
If he's
Shkoyach,
listening,
Tati.
yeah.
So where else should we go? What's
Let's
our
see
next?
other old memory haunts, and maybe let's go to the park and sing a little if you feel like
The
it.
park? Like Lynch Park?
I was thinking more that way.
Okay, we could go that way, yeah. So there's places over there. There's like Cafe Oli.
Yeah, I know.
There's
I have memories as a kid eating there. Eispeis.
Eierspeis.
Eispeis.
They have like pizza and stuff.
Would you be open to eating
And then
something?
there's this way. There's further down like Bedford Grilling.
Riki Rose looks very bubbly and happy. Yeah, but I'm sure she struggles. I mean, ze admit that she struggled as Sach. And she gesagt, it's a huge battle. It's a life battle. And good for her, as sie kann rauskommen auf der andere Seite besser.
I'm not starving right now. I'm
Yeah.
like,
Now let's go to Cafe Oli. How about this? Let's go to Cafe Oli and wrap up there
okay.
and look around. Because
And then you still want to go to Big Vatsoin?
maybe, we'll see.
Okay. So yeah, so we could head this way.
I have a friend that the father saw him with a smartphone and chucked him out, and now he's depressed, long hair, and cut off his friends. Such a shame. Just imagine, huh, Shimmy? Is that normal? Cool.
So where did you get baked goods besides for your mother's baking babka?
We only got my mother's baked goods.
Oh, you didn't buy?
We didn't buy, no.
When I was a kid, we didn't buy either, to be honest.
Yeah, we
Later.
didn't buy any outside food besides for Cafe Ali. Pizza 2 days before Pesach.
That's it.
That's it.
When everything's
And-
Pesach and you're not allowed to eat a thing in the house
Toby, be gentle, as they say.
except
Wenn einer kommt und sucht Sachen wegen a Schmies oder a Podcast, vergiss nicht, es ist sehr schwer zu kommen und reden. Don't judge until you do it. So,
I don't know, falch fish
Exactly. And then we would wait there like for 2 hours in the line
in
to
the
get
line
a pie of
to
pizza.
get a pie of pizza that was
Yes.
barely baked.
It was the only time in the year we ever had pizza.
Yeah, we had pizza and Danishes before Pesach that we never had the rest of the year. But right before Pesach, because my mother was no longer baking, we got to buy Danishes.
Wow. Careful.
So good. Did you also have
Wow, the
jewelry?
Tauber's fish store is still going on.
Yeah, but it's beautiful now, and it's
Oh, it's fancy.
they have
Yeah.
a whole takeout thing.
Really? What else is still the same?
So
This is
something
new. What is this?
This is Tauber's. It's part of
this
their
is part of Tauber.
yeah.
Fancy. This used to be Friedman's basement. Oh, it still is. No, it's something. Friedman's basement was here. I don't know.
Oh, what happened
It
here?
used to be a clothing store.
There is one here.
Deze liegt dus jouw clothing store.
This one seems to be going out of business.
Oy vey.
Oh, but
Jinx.
I haven't been here in so
Shoe
long.
Garden. Wow, I remember that.
MCT, die hast nicht the bell button umgezogen? Huh? I'm kidding.
Some of these, wow, they've really been going on for a while.
Kennst du the signs? That's old.
You know what else I got from Williamsburg?
What?
Ahoy kid.
Ahoy, kid.
Walking like this?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah, I mean, not from Williams. I got it from genetics and trying to hide my boobs.
I need to promote it. You should have the bell button on. You should have the bell button on. I'm kidding.
All these years.
Yeah, it was trying to hide your boobs a part of the
Oh, I didn't know.
wanting to be a boy thing.
Pretty much, yeah. Especially because they were so big right when they came in.
Yeah.
Whoa. How you doing?
Is it allowed to be spoken about on your channel?
Oh yeah, we can talk about it. I actually find it really
Oh, it's walk.
It's a part from the history.
sad
Yeah.
when you carry these body. I feel like I will never get rid totally of certain body issues that come from the tznius things. And
It's also like fear, you know, it's like defense mode, fear.
Yeah.
No.
Brooklyn, jeder lebt in a bubble. The difference is, as du Menschen was halten as Zayer bubble is the bubble.
Stein mit Achnua, you know?
yeah.
And
reverence.
versus open your heart and your chest and confidence and take up space,
Yeah.
you know? So I'm trying to work on this, my posture.
Yeah.
So bad.
Your posture carries so much for you. I don't
wow,
know.
look at this.
Isn't it gorgeous?
This is insane.
Alles ist geworden fancy schmanancy, I'll tell you.
All this branding, talking about branding, all this Judaica branding, it's totally new. I read this, I might be misquoting, but I read a study that Orthodox women who take ballet lessons end up carrying their body instead of this way.
Oh, really?
And it's so interesting. It's like almost like, if I remember correctly, oftentimes there's like a correlation with the women becoming more like self-determined once they carry their body differently.
Yeah, but it's interesting because you will see some women standing straight. So I don't know. It maybe depends on which family you grew up.
I think so.
Because,
I think different people respond to the same environment. I mean, there's no two people in the same environment, but I think a lot of women can come out of this modesty education and not carry body shame that I have.
Right.
I don't think everyone walks
100%
around with
right,
that, but
obviously.
for some people it does get created in these settings.
Wow, Segedin,
yes.
I remember that one. And Midtown is still going on. Oh, I was such a rebel buying all the Madeira CDs at Midtown.
Oh, really? Were you
Yeah.
afraid you're going to get caught while shopping?
No, the real Madeira ones, like the Israeli ones, I would buy at Galpaz and Bar Park.
Did you take the Williamsburg Bar Park bus
I
by
took the
yourself?
Williamsburg Bar Park bus, yeah. From a
Just
very
you?
young age, yeah, because my sister moved to Bar Park when she got married. And I would go take the bus to go see her. I was maybe like 7 years old when I took that bus alone.
Wow. Did you sit in the back?
Yeah,
course.
and then my sister would wait for me at the stop.
Ze haben music in draußen. So the manchmal, I used to ask, for was in fast Shabbos sind wir nicht schon Shabbos music of loudspeakers?
Wow.
It just reminds me of that.
And I also got my first Casio, the keyboard, the one I told you about here.
Oh, you got that here?
Yes.
This is an interesting shop.
They have
because
guitars.
They have computers.
Should we go
over
in?
here. Yeah, we can go in. We can see if they'll.
Oh, I
Let
still
us-
remember this is the same guy that used to work here.
Hello.
Oh, hi. I still remember it from years ago. This guy works here for years.
Really?
Yeah.
Wie soll gehen? Wie soll gehen arbeiten? Like, what is this?
Wow, this is so cool. Look at this. They now sell USB.
You heard that? They have all the batteries in the world, but they can't fix their alarm. Do they sell Liebeschmalze CDs in Midtown? I'm sure now they do.
They now sell USBs, right? Because they don't have CDs
instead of the
anymore.
CDs.
So they have like, look, Avram Fried collection.
Oh, warum Fried?
This was
All the Avram
modern,
Fried
right?
albums.
Yeah.
That's very modern, yeah. But we
Yeah.
actually grew up listening to Avram Fried. Kinder classics.
Adela Summit is very contemporary.
Oh, yeah.
Adela Summit
Like
is
this
fine. I
belongs
like
here.
Adela Summit.
Organized. What else? Oh, this is the new album from Pinky and Dovey.
Yes.
I'm sure they do. FSV.
Didn't hear it
Or
yet,
they think about it.
and I have to listen to it.
Debbie's heart.
Oh, look.
Pinky's.
By the way, ich bin geworden geworden von Schnaden and Nagel different. And I way older, like by 20s, I found out about the Nagel thing. I didn't know.
Look what I
Shoma.
found. It's really green. So cool to see someone you know, their
music.
in a store. you know?
Yeah,
When do
but
you
it's not
ever-
your music. It's like almost
Wow.
your excitement sounds like you find your own music in the store.
Well, I don't think anybody would buy it here, or they would even allow me to sell it, would they?
No,
No,
nope.
I don't think so. But they do
Maybe
sell.
if it has a Kolisha warning, which I'm not going to put.
Yeah. Would you ever
Also,
do
it would
that?
have my face on it. Like,
Would you sell your music here if it means you have to do
No,
a college
die gaat niet capitulate.
women and girls only?
maybe. Yeah, I'm not so stubborn. Whatever,
Hey.
fine. You know.
But it does touch a
But
big
it
nerve
does.
for you.
It does. Like, it is like, you know, why? People
Wie pluggen ze aan de USB's to hear the music?
are gonna know it's a woman as soon as they hear it. Amazing.
Another building that I don't
Oh
recognize.
wow!
They're
Look,
doing
what are they
something.
building?
On Friday afternoon in Israel, music on the radio is different the rest of the week. It's always so peaceful. Exactly, Toby. That's what I mean. In a Yiddish shtetl in Wilhelmsburg, Monroe, Monsey, why don't they have it? Es gibt doch an Shabbos.
Here, gosh.
I think I heard it in Israel for the first time.
But this,
Oh,
my
so
son,
the whole doctor's office is gone? Oh no,
Is where
that
you
wasn't
went
a
to-
doctor's office. Rutledge was the doctor's. It's still there.
that's where
ODA?
you went to the doctor?
ODA?
Yeah, Doctor. What was his name? I forgot his name. But S. Brothers Pharmacy. And then sometimes we would go to Shimon's Pharmacy. Yeah, so this is where we would come Erev Pesach, Café Ali.
My son found it
So,
so
yeah.
funny that it's called Café Ali, like a French name in the middle on the avenue.
Right?
Okay, what should we try, you think? I feel like,
I already know what I want.
What do you
A
know?
grandma slice.
okay.
They have really good pizza. It's called grandma pizza. It's really good. Ken heb je a baba reeftel.
Oh,
Grandma slice, a baba reeftel. Met die gitte cupcakes, die Swiss, weggeet met de cheese.
kijk aan één man door lacht. He's having a ball.
Rosemary? What's
We'll make sure if you're in the...
Als gemeint Sagoi? Mami, de goy Zaid? Aleichem Shulam. What does rosemary mean?
Rosemary's chocolate inside, chocolate chip.
Rosemary chocolate, joh. Hier op met de dag.
really good.
Oh, het is gestaan Wilhelmsburg.
Oh, ja.
Erof met de zaken.
My son is.
What looks good to you?
Met de brugge,
Timmy.
Ik versta het, Amazones.
Look, take your time, think about it.
Avada.
French toast.
We maken brugge.
Oh, yes. Oh, my God. I get so many
Je zit
criticisms.
gewoon aan aangebissen. Brugge gaat we naar lijn met gewoon
De
met
editor wil gedacht geven als een slice. Is ook nog zeggen, oh, ja.
Amazones.
Oh, mine. So,
Toby, dat wie me kikt heb ik.
what did you
Wie
get?
me toen
Heimische
is.
Ungarische Essen.
This is a grandma slice. I call it a baba reeftel.
Who
Weer heeft
speaks
this-
Yiddish like that
Yeah.
except you?
My sister.
And this is genuine, our culture. It's fashit.
What is it?
This is a tuna fashit, and this is a
Oh.
vegetable fashit.
I can't have it.
Why?
Tuna,
Oh,
fish.
fish. But you can have this if you want. How allergic are you? The point to
Very.
having an EpiPen.
Yeah.
Got it.
Well, what's that?
Portobello mushroom. I didn't realize it's going to be drowned in the sauce,
Oh no.
which is not a bad thing. Except I've already had one wardrobe malfunction this morning.
Oh no.
All
Gewoon
right.
aan bib.
I'm not taking any chances.
It's not big enough.
In the adult size. All right.
Dus I'm gedacht gaan ze green pizzas doen.
Oh,
Father is the bald guy.
not with the
Nice
blue
guy.
shirt. Not with the blue
Not with
shirt.
the blue shirt.
You're
No, that's
doing
why
it
I
with
asked
Pearl Engelman.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
yes,
okay, yes. So
His
you're
nice.
father's married to Engelman.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Oh, so you were the one that messaged me then?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's my
Nice. Wait, so I need to get a new one so I can bite into it.
Wow, this is. Yeah, put it here, and then we'll put it back in the box.
Okay. Now I'll just eat both.
Absolutely.
Wow, look at this. This is like a chocolate with cheese, with cupcake, with gitte Sachen.
Nicht von mir.
Sachen. I mean, it's so good.
It's really moist.
Nicht normal. So good.
It's moist with a little bit of a little crunch or something.
It's like crumbs.
Ich muss sagen, in Wilhelmsburg ist der Menschen mehr sind zugewohnt zu der Outside-Welt mehr, weil in Monroe wird man nicht gekannt sitzen also in einem Restaurant. Die Kinder, jeder eine wird gekickt mit also, wow. Like really, du bist really outside of the fish tank, you know?
The crumbs on top. The crumbs on top.
What is this, Nutella?
No, I think it's like a caramel sauce.
Ah.
With
really
rosemary
think well.
chocolate. Rosemary chocolate.
How could you not drink coffee with such things? I feel such a craving for coffee.
Yeah.
I wish I could wean myself off coffee.
I just know what coffee does to me. That's why.
What? What does it do?
Raise the blood pressure,
Oh, it
macht
gives you
jitters.
jitters. Got it. Got it. Yeah. It just makes me happy. I wake up in the morning, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna have coffee. I'm so excited to start my day.
Yes, I agree. I agree.
Because of coffee.
That's why I wake up and I'm like, ugh, this again?
That's why I'm not a singer and you're a singer. I don't have the material for music.
Yeah,
You have to try it, Timmy.
I do.
It's really good.
I do yoga instead. So boring.
Yeah, yoga's good. Yoga's good.
It's good. And jumping jacks and running. And
Do you run?
if I really feel low energy, I'll go take a run.
Nicht mit der Sächeschier, wo
So
sie hat
good.
umgetan, but otherwise,
So hard to make
she was
yourself
helping my
live, but it's
teacher.
so good.
I
What?
think this lady used to be my teacher.
Really?
Did
running.
she
recognize
say
you?
hi? I don't know if she wants to.
She either didn't recognize you or didn't want to.
Right.
Most probably both.
What do you think, Timmy? It's very good. It's
Right?
very, very airy and moist.
Eating two of them. Okay, we all have to eat two.
Otherwise, we
I
don't
can't
get the
even finish the
mitzvah.
one.
I would say take it back to your boyfriend, but he lives in Florida.
So good.
So good. I'm so glad
You weißt, as Sache said off camera. I feel when the camera is on, as Sache said just by the looks.
to be able to be here and not to feel like self-conscious or like I have to be someone I'm not.
Hell yeah.
It's a nice feeling.
Yeah.
It's 3:44, so the kids are coming home now. Let's wrap up over there because
Okay.
it's already been a long day.
Where do you live, by the way?
Nog in Wilhelmsburg kann man walken. In Monroe kannst du nicht walken. Meaning like,
Flatbush. I don't live so far. You dropped me off.
I could take you home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I can take you
Not
home.
so far from me. It's not a huge invade.
That sounds nice. I do like the trains. Like it's not a tircha for me to go home
Tirge. Gee.
at this point.
Using
Whatever
some
you
high
decide.
vocabulary.
Both of you. I never knew I'd have it. It's so lucky to meet you.
Oh, wow.
So cool.
And yeah. Knew through you. And I really love the blog and I really love your songs.
De cameraman hat gewiss nicht daran zu
you.
haben.
Is it
Geht.
okay that you're in our camera thing?
I'd rather not.
We can blur you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Thank you. How do
What a cool
you
interaction.
feel to be stopped like a celebrity?
Oh, how do you feel?
I'm very excited that we're walking here together. It's like a
It's
moment
very
for me.
cool. Yeah. I think it's cool that a lot of people looked at us, but nobody actually came over.
Yeah.
You know? So thank you for doing that.
Acknowledging.
Yeah. Thank you.
Appreciate what you do.
Oh,
Thank
nice.
And
Yeah.
Gutsy finde ich Meidl, I must say. Gutsy.
I write my own songs. So I see you putting out and
Oh my God, I would love to hear them.
Yes, yes. Das darf man das hören.
Yes.
I'm still looking trying to get them out in public.
Yes, please.
Very public platforms, maybe.
Whatever you can. I would love to hear them.
What kind of songs do you write?
I write in English. I compose my own stuff.
Wow, nice. Hell yeah.
No.
You should
no.
collab.
that.
You should do together.
I would, if she wants to collab with me, because I'm like,
Because it's so much money.
it is very expensive.
We were
I
talking
know.
about the
We're just
difficulty,
talking about
financial
it.
difficulties, that she's
Being an
come so
artist.
far and she still struggles.
Yeah, it's a struggle.
Maar kijk on die meidel, right? Sie will werden a Singer. Ich meine, sie will herausgeben ihre Sachen und sie lebt in einer Society, wie sie kennt nicht. At all.
But
Sad.
do it anyway,
Yes.
no matter what, and just
I
do
mean,
it.
it's no matter what. Hop cycle about it.
And
But
even just record demos, you know?
exactly.
I have demos.
You
Like I
have
said, I haven't
demos,
used it
okay.
yet, and I have a demo on it.
Oh, wow.
Should we put it in this
Gotta
video?
hook you
Yes.
up with some
Yes, like it on demo.
producers. Oh my God, there's a lady coming that I cannot meet right now. Let's go this way. Hold on, just let it pass.
Ah, that was funny.
Just because, I'll tell you later.
Okay, that's totally fine.
It so makes sense.
Looking the other way. But, okay, so what happened was, I was working at ODA and I was not dressed like this. I was dressed way more like, I was wearing a short skirt, but I was still religious at the time. And she's
Who is that? We don't know who that girl is.
friends with my mother. And she came in and she started yelling at me. Rivka, ¿dónde estás?
And why wouldn't you want to meet him?
Like,
I mean, I get it, but
she was yelling at me, so I'm like, oh no, I'm scared.
Recognize them?
No, she didn't notice
No,
you.
she didn't notice. No, no, no.
She didn't notice.
I
She
just
went
saw
on
her
her
from
business.
far and I didn't want to engage.
Okay.
We're doing a video of walking around Williamsburg, Ricky's old haunt.
In the Willensburger Gassen. Nostalgia. Nostalgia.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not like what it was.
It's not like what it was. Nothing is.
No, it changed a lot.
That's
very they meidel. We gotta drill down, huh?
just life.
We go down to the new developments.
We're just gonna go to the park and sing
Is
a little.
Lynch Park still a thing? Lynch Park.
Yeah, but go check out the new developments. Troop and Cascade.
Oh, I was there. Fudu, that supermarket. I was there yesterday. Yeah.
That place is awesome.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's
It's a
whole,
new
it's like Bar
age.
Park to me, the new area.
It's new. It's
I must say, was je in kennen zijn, sie macht ihre Nägel, die meidel.
things.
Sie hat
That's,
French tips. Bobby,
that's how life
the hand is into mir, so you guys can't see.
is. Things evolve. Things move forward. Things change. Nothing stays the same. Only Tiftov.
That's why we did most of our time
And the
in
shoe
Tipton.
repair. That one block over there. Schwarz Grocery, Grimfeld, Tiftov, Klosenberger Shield. That's it. Even my childhood home changed. Anyway, but
Yeah, thanks for saying hi.
Thank
can
you.
We, can
Yes.
I, can I ask your name? Yeah.
Yes.
Blimi.
So nice to
Thank
meet
you.
you, Blimi.
Feel free to message.
And come to my show if you can. I don't know, Schattenfaschadigem, you know.
Yeah, we understand.
Yeah,
we
I
understand.
understand if you
We
can.
understand. But feel free to reach out. I will use this with your.
That's what's it called? Behind the scenes.
Behind the
I enjoyed
scenes.
to see the work there, not to actually
Oh.
hang out.
I
Got
hear
it.
you.
Vicky sent
Okay,
the
be in
shop.
touch. Be in touch then.
Will do.
All right. Bye,
Okay,
Blimi.
bye.
Sie can zijn extremely a lot of trouble, you know.
So cute. I love her.
That's so sweet.
I know.
You inspire
Wow.
the women here, see?
Yeah, you never know.
To do
Yeah, by the way,
music.
don't put that story in about my.
Oh my God, that was
My
such a great
mother's-
story.
Oh, it
Though, seeing
is?
you run away. Yeah, we have to keep it in.
Okay.
I relate to
But
it
don't
so
put
much.
the lady's face in there.
We'll blur her face.
Okay,
You don't
tell
try.
me before. Tell me before.
Okay. I shall come to you in Crown Heights the rond te schreien after being in your video.
I should go out with her. Sie darf wel naar Roos gaan met mir. You know what I'm saying?
It's like one moment of anxiety had to come in, you know?
Yeah, it's so interesting to see that trigger, that like turning away and sort of running away, because I so relate to it. I didn't experience it. This woman didn't do anything for me, but I know the feeling.
She's not a bad person. It's just
Oh,
that
no, I don't
she was
think
yelling
so.
at me saying what you did to your mother, like what's getting to that mama. She thinks because of me my mother's suffering. She doesn't realize my mother suffers because of my father, not because of me. But, you know,
I hope ze het like that demo.
Well.
Oh well.
in her eyes I'm really evil. So
I'm sure she does. Nee, Brooklyn, get to work. I'm kidding.
There are people.
I
who-
don't want to engage
Yeah.
with someone like that.
Yeah.
ODA is coming
I
up.
get it. I think people who do this don't realize how much terror they sow. They really sow terror. The
Ja.
kinds of people.
Terror.
Der Einmove, was man schreit tun einem, dass du wissen, wie stark sie geht.
Terror. You're like terrified of them.
20 Jahre später, you still feel it.
They pick on you and they give you
I
that
should have not turned around and let her see me.
Yeah,
But
that
no,
would
it's just more like,
exposure therapy.
yeah, it's also because I don't want to hurt her.
Oh, all right. Makes sense, yeah.
Like her to see me like this is painful for her. I was protecting her, not myself.
Oh, come on.
See.
You know, because I'm a people pleaser also.
Yeah.
So I was also protecting myself at the same time.
Yeah.
But I was protecting both of us.
I get it.
That was not the best moment. All right, you caught it on camera. What am I going to do?
Was heißt, sen ist pink verkehrt. It showed that you picked the high road versus Dafke sein and Dafke geben. So I think that was a great moment.
It was
Not my best moment.
It was Williamsburg in its essence.
It was just so much happened at once also, you know?
because we were
Somebody
talking to
stops
this.
you.
Yeah.
That's how it always goes.
Young
Okay,
woman.
next time we're doing this, we're going to dress super
Hold on. Inish days the Meidel?
Hasidish.
Yeah, you're into that.
Yeah.
You wouldn't do a
Let's see
Shabbos
what
meal in
happens.
your hipster kitchen, but you will walk
You
in
want to
Williamsburg.
do it?
I'm just saying.
No, I would. I just don't want
wouldn't
people
dress-
to complain and say this is not what a Hasidic Shabbos is.
I was more thinking of doing the cooking part, not the meal part. More like showing this is the challah and this is the chrain and this is how it's prepared, like a cooking
okay.
show. And during the cooking show, I would overlay it with B-roll from the internet of Shabbos meals because the men are putting
So
out a lot of.
maybe.
We can do that, but to be honest, it would be much better to do it at your sister's. We can go
It's just a
together.
real Hasidic kitchen.
Yeah.
Like I don't have separate milky and fleisch.
No, we can go to the actual Sida, so it could be about.
Yeah, exactly.
Similar t-shirt? All
If
right.
she's okay with it.
A similar tap, Brooklyn.
She would be.
Trugen kan t-shirts.
Could do it like a one Friday thing.
Yeah.
Ah, Lynch Park.
Lynch Park. What are your memories of Lynch Park?
Lynch Park, the sprinkler in the summer, they would put the sprinkler on and we would just get wet and jump in it and have fun. And then there was the Goyim playing basketball.
And
And
You'd
once in
watch?
a while you would see maybe teenagers making out or something.
really?
It's very scandalous.
Scandalous.
And you kicking of the Goyim. But they changed it also. There used to be a different playground. I don't know if we should go in. We should go in. It's like feels like invasive
Oh, really?
for the kids.
Invasive.
No?
Then where can we sit? I just want to sit somewhere for like 5 minutes. Or we can, you know what? We can go to your car and we can sing in the car.
We can also sing walking.
Okay.
I can sing while I'm walking.
Okay, let's see.
Oi
Have you ever met Friday Wiesel? Nope.
Williamsburg, oi am chaye gur. Es wohnen dort feine Jiden auf mir als a Jür. Oi Williamsburg, es ist gut an neue Welt. Es ist mein Chaim, Yerushalayim, in jede Gezelt.
Ich kenne nicht den Nicken, by the way.
Papa zähle mir. I forgot the words.
In dem Rebenshaus, a Tummel geht da raus. Sie tanzen Chassidim, alle Jiden, öffnen sich der Reus.
Bam.
Oi,
Bam, bam, bam.
Da-da-da-da-da. Lebendig und
Das sounds nicht gleich Kollische.
frisch. In Williamsburg gegessen, der nicht geht da raus in Zeit den Tagen. In den Betrachten nicht von Weiten. Läuft noch dem na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. In der Pais hängen bad die Seiten.
That's
In der
it?
Pais hängen bad die Seiten. Schreib dich mal durch.
Marcy Avenue, watch your step.
In der Mitten, no, it starts with this. In Mitten, ja,
Ich bin nicht aufgewachsen mit denen Ginen.
vor das Schiff, vor die Oise Zeugen, vor der Jid von Eretz Yisroel, mit verweinte Oisen. Die Augen, kein Amerika als mein Volk ist doch sehr bitter. Marcy Avenue, watch your step. In Williamsburg gegessen, and the guy that lives in Yeah, there you go.
You can see the chayas, the life comes out.
We need the text. The chorus is
Thank you. You do amazing stuff, amazing content. We love it.
Do you know her?
No, I don't know, but
Oh, you'll know her on my channel soon.
okay, I guess we'll see. We're
Oh,
waiting.
ja.
Awesome, thank you.
Ga je smaken
Thank you,
Willensburger?
thank you so much.
Det är såhär gräsare celebrity för mig.
Spring andere mensen, zijn grootste gis.
You're Ricky, yeah?
Yeah.
See?
Den usche med det vabbet. So cute.
Jij neemt het meer als
part of
een
my own-
Wiesnitzer. Ik heb een Wiener Wiesnitzer.
Life journey is I accept in my own life that I'm affected by my journey, and sometimes like I don't try to fix myself 100%.
I do.
It is how I am.
I'm like, I must be perfect. If I am not perfect, I don't know. It's the
Yeah,
end
you
of the world.
You
Yep.
have like a perfectionism in your art also, no?
Everything, it needs to be like perfect. If it's not perfect, it needs to be perfect. If it's not perfect, then it's terrible. It's like the ganze dag is oos.
Really? Where do you take it from?
Childhood trauma.
Yeah. Why you felt like less than perfect didn't?
Dat is ook
No
uit.
idea,
Een perfectionist.
Yeah.
Just
Sometimes
really
it's our
have to.
nature, you know. We
Yeah.
have certain.
So when I have one little moment where I'm not,
Yeah.
I like,
You agonize over it.
yeah, and I'm like, what can I do different next time so that I never have to. Didn't this used to be by Surucho? Oh no, that was by Surucho.
That was by Srhol.
So what was this?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure out also.
Was it stores? I don't remember what it was.
It's all. You know what? It was houses. I think it was apartments.
Careful, it looks like that's.
I think it was a bunch of apartments.
Was apartments?
Look at this beautiful block full of brownstones and row houses, and a family goes and builds a white facade.
Yeah, why? You know, the way they build houses.
Waar jeder wil zijn fancy. Jeder wil zijn edgy.
Today is like, I guess because it's cheaper to build that way,
Maybe.
but it's not as nice as how it used to be, like with all the brick and detail and
exactly, and it
don't
doesn't
really-
blend in.
yeah.
I think there were houses here. If I
And now
remember.
I'm a real Williamsburger with a shopping bag.
Let's talk about
'Cause now
shopping
I'm
bags.
holding shopping bags.
What's your theory? Why does everyone walk around with shopping
With a
bags?
shopping bag. Everyone walks around with a shopping bag. Look, hold on. So, everybody's holding a shopping bag.
It's one of the
People
most
come in-
Googled things about Hasidim.
Really?
Yeah. Why do Hasidic Jews carry shopping bags?
Why do they carry shop? They're carrying the blood of. No, I'm joking. Blood libels.
Kijk on dit zwei. Welkom durch. Ze
No,
gaat
I'm
maar
joking.
kijken terug.
Blood libels.
Als einde week zeg ik dat draaien op de kop.
A blood bilbel.
You carry your blood every day before you leave.
Hoe zat Penny gezocht dat ze terrible, terrible? What did I miss?
The house, you take a shopping bag and put a blood libel in there.
Yeah. So the reason, I don't know, it's because bags just it's not like a big thing to wear a bag. I don't know, they have a pocketbook, but then besides for that, I don't know, they're just always running errands. Why else are they outside of the house to run an errand, right?
Yeah.
So
Well-
you come home with shopping bags.
What's funny is that woman was waiting for us to pass, and then she walked behind us, meaning she walked into our camera shot, which was like,
I don't know if she wants to be in it or not.
she wants to be famous singer also.
Maybe. Yeah, so I don't know why. What's with the shopping bags?
Do you ever hear
what's,
from
what's the theory? I don't
my
think it
theory?
has a theory. Does it have a theory?
I have a theory. My
What is
theory is that there's so many strong social norms in this community. That one of them is only certain bags are considered appropriate. A Harrods bag for some reason, a pocketbook on women.
Right, like a bag like this is considered like schlepper.
Yeah, this bag,
Yeah.
By the way-
shopping bag is much more schlepperish.
But this is considered very young.
But I just bought something, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Wenn sie kommt zu Style oder was ist accepted, meint gut nicht of the normale Saat. It doesn't have to make sense.
And women never wear backpacks, which could fit a lot of things.
Right,
And go shopping.
backpacks. Is this only if you're a schoolgirl up to a certain
Exactly.
age?
So the men definitely need shopping bags.
Men definitely need, yeah, because men won't have
Men
purses.
wouldn't even have purses.
Was haben schon Männer besides for a Besamtasch ungefüllt mit Bills?
Yes.
They don't have anything they
So
need
it's
to
like
take.
built out of the social norms of the fact that canvas totes are considered strange or weird or yunchy dowdy. You end up carrying around all your stuff in shopping bags. You go out and got some Mickey, put some a shopping bag.
Yeah, makes sense. Oh, look,
What was that?
a regular bag.
Where?
This guy's holding a regular bag. Yay, we found one person.
What's going to be our content next time at this point?
Waldmans.
What does Waldmans make you think of? Did you wear palm stockings?
Yes. Then, like, at some point I took them off. And then I went to camp. And I came home and all of my new tights were gone and replaced with the new palm tights.
Who did that?
My mother did it. Sneaky.
Wow.
Sneaky stuff. I mean, she asked me a bunch of times to change, and I lied to her and told her yes, it was palm. So I guess it was fair. But excusing my parents' behavior is something I'm always doing.
Yeah. Well, I think when you know their
Especially on a
beliefs-
public platform also, because what am I gonna, oh my God, that's another one of my mom's friends. It's literally just all of my mom's
Yeah, bist in Wilhelmsburg, but I'm in daheim.
friends out here.
She's called them all and sent them out to intimidate you. I'm kidding. It's totally a joke.
What is going on? Okay, this one's a nice one. She wouldn't say anything to me. I know that one. You don't understand. My mother is like from the most, the frimste from the frimste. You know what I mean?
It looks like it because all of her friends are
Do you know what I'm talking
Spitzle
about?
from der Rupgewinnste.
They live in a whole different world. I have no
Yeah.
idea. Like, my mom could never see me like this.
Yeah.
She would
This is-
not be able to handle it.
This is something I'm
If she
seeing
lived here,
now.
I wouldn't be walking around like this.
I totally get it. I see now a lot of OTD people, especially from Israel, on social media with their parents, and their parents are like, we love our child. She's wearing pants and we love her anyway, and she's totally accepted. And I'm like, that is not ever going to be on the agenda for me with my parents.
No, never gonna be for me. No.
Never.
En dat is terrible. Als mechanisch change in the mindset. Dat is chagrin, but
I mean, even
Find
if
a
I'm,
face.
I was already disowned even when I was still religious.
Yeah, when you were wearing the tights, that wasn't
So-
palm.
So, but it's very different, the younger generation.
Yeah. The parents
It's very different.
The parents who are my age, whose children are now starting to chart their
Rebel.
own path, or, you know, they have been raised with a different attitude towards
Yeah.
kids that go off the path.
Get some of my shades on.
Hold on, let me see if I can find mine.
Very different now.
Very different.
But again, I go back and forth in my mind with, is it appropriate to walk around like this here?
Yeah.
Technically, I'm not like,
it depends of the agenda. What's it on agenda? Is it to wreak havoc? That's answer. If you mind your own business, then you go the way you want to go
I'm not
dressed.
like showing any cleavage. I'm not like, whatever, but I'm not exactly the standards of,
Scheitelbacks
you
mit
know, a
bags.
Williamsburg
I never thought about
Yeah.
the bags thing.
person. Kunnen we daar willen? We graag daar wel tvillen. In een reform shield. Zeggen ze.
Get.
I'm so not about tefillin. They don't even have such a thing about tefillin. I don't know what I said. But I am going to be in a Chazunas concert.
Really? This
Yes.
high holidays?
No, it's like a Slichas concert. It's on, I was going to say I'm a chazan, but I didn't get the words fast enough. There's no such thing. Or maybe there is. I don't know the terms that they go by. I'm going to be in a Slichas concert on September 20th. This guy, Jeremiah Lockwood, he
Oh, this is Yetzer Rose
writes his own Chazunas pieces.
Hi, yes.
Thank you so much. I love watching all your content.
Thank you.
So, I don't know what the word is, but like it resonates with me a lot. It's
I
so
appreciate
beautiful.
that. I appreciate that. We're actually filming now, so
Down
are
the
you?
avenue.
Yes. Is it okay that you're in our shot?
Preferably not.
Got it. Okay. And by the way, I love your bag. Is it hand knit?
No.
Oh, okay.
This is so easy.
Got it.
Imagine, sie kijkt das über und sie sieht das. I hope kind of it.
Riki Rose, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Some of my celebs. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah. How cool are we? We're celebrities. Hello, and them are celebrities.
It's such. I have to tell you, I never had any intention to be a celebrity in Williamsburg at any moment in my life.
Oh, I did.
You did.
It's been my dream since I'm a little kid. So
Oh, really? Then we have to make sure it happens all the way.
we're parked over here. So should we just?
Yeah, let's do
finish
it.
up?
Let's do it. Let's
The
do
guy
it. What are
singing-
your thoughts about our day today? Let's wrap it up.
I had a lot of fun. I'm going back and forth in my mind about, dressing the way I do, walking around in Williamsburg. Maybe if I'm running an errand or whatever, it's fine. But maybe if I'm walking around
Reflections.
like this, I think next time maybe I would maybe wear a skirt or something. I don't know why, but I just,
No, I think
I guess I'm not.
Does it ever? Oh, Sally. Does it ever happen to you that people recognize you and stopping you? Yes.
Confident enough, or it just
I
doesn't
mean, I don't really go out, but whenever I do, yeah.
feel right, or I don't know
That's how I met Yankee T. Yankee T. Yankee T walked up to me and they're like, "Yeah, man, Yankee T."
what it is.
You know.
Sometimes it does feel right, and sometimes it doesn't. I think up until
You're
that
also a celebrity. Beter, Sally. Come on.
moment I saw that lady
But thank you.
is when I was like super confident and I didn't feel anything. But then all of a sudden I started feeling like self-conscious and feeling like maybe next
How does it feel? I'm better than you. I'm kidding. It's a joke.
time I should.
The thing is, celebrity is usually as somebody that sings as a singer and that. Even if it bin ich. Just macht ein bisschen Videos auf YouTube.
Be more respectful.
Mastermind.
Wow. See,
Yellow
that
and
tells you a lot
welcome.
about how
But I
deep
don't
this
know.
kind of trauma goes. This is actually why I wear pants when I come here, because I feel like we carry a lot of trauma of like not being able to express ourselves, and to some degree I feel like in certain spaces for me it's important to exposure
But also, Sally, growing up, a lot of people knew me, so I'm kind of used to ish already.
therapy myself, to express myself, not to try to please everyone.
Right.
Sometimes people are going to be offended, but I don't have any intention to hurt anyone.
Yep,
Obviously.
Yeah, like
not so obvious.
So I don't know. I guess my people pleasing is still something I need to work on.
Makes
Because
sense.
for me, I don't want to dress like that. But for me, it's like I want people to like me.
Vicky, can you do a live stream 24 hours straight? If the money is right, yes, I'm not going to do it for free. It takes a lot.
So I want to
Yeah.
fit in. I would dress like that just so I can fit in here.
I'm a culture innovator.
Um,
Oh, Sally.
but then I also want to be different than everybody else. So the bottom line is I have no
Yeah.
clue what I want.
Good
And in the
conclusion.
end of
Good
the
conclusion.
story-
Yeah.
we made no
Ze
progress.
weiß nicht, wo sie will. Sie hat keine Ahnung. Sie meint, sie ist happy.
Viggy versus Speed. Speed macht Geld. Viggy macht nicht kein Geld, you know?
Jetzt ist happy. Sie hat rumgetan, der Scheitel. Jetzt ist happy. Sie hat rausgetan, der Scheitel. Hat gesagt, sie ist happy. Sie hilft nicht. Das ist
This is the humor. This is the Hasidische humor.
And it's true. You can wear pants, you can wear scheitel, you can wear spitzel, but you can't run from yourself.
Oh.
What is
You can-
yourself?
This is a
You
tighter
can
line.
only be yourself. You could be yourself in the spitzel. You could be yourself in pants.
Yeah.
You have to, at the end of the day, you have to face who you are, and you have to make peace with who you are. Whether it's with a spitzel or with zerissene Hosen. My Hosen is not zerissen today, but with pants or whatever it is.
But in Wilhelmsburg is easier wegzugehen damit. How I see it is because du hast auch Goyim, yeah? Du hast auch Outsiders. In Monroe, wenn die wächst darin, du bist also wie ein Highlighter. Everybody's gonna look at you, especially dressed like that.
Is if you're wearing whatever you're wearing. A budgie auf dem Kopf.
It was time that Speed didn't make any money. Yeah.
So-
But Speed had viewership, meaning to say, the viewers can wachsen. Yiddish. Es ist nicht so viel Yiddish speaking. And auch it happens to be Yiddish speaking. Herauszunehmen Geld von die Jiden sich zu separaten von seiner Geld ist sehr schwer. So, wegen dem, die YouTube-Gevre, die Jiddische, machen nicht kein Geld.
Ich helfe mir, ich sage immer, seht jetzt Mädel drei, sich mit zerrissen Häusen, soll wissen, ich sage viele gesagt, spielst dich mit Feiern, soll wissen, da wissen wir wie aus.
Sie mit Pischke Rebbe da would make a nice duo.
Sie schreibt Welt, das wissen
You're even worse than
It's not allowed.
I want to say sometimes trauma cannot be forgiven or forgotten. It's a work. It's a work. It's work, Penny. Puter zu werden von Trauma und vergeben. It's all work. Weil es mental, sieht man es nicht. Keiner wird nicht expected, dass ein Krippel, wo schleppt auf ist, soll laufen a Marathon, right? Because man versteht, ist ein Krippel. Ob ja geht zu den Special Olympics. Versus mental, man weiß nicht. Just get over it. Just let it go. It doesn't work that way.
I'm telling you, it's not allowed. It's just
Meaning, why don't people super chat over here? You pay for coffee, you pay for Spotify, you pay for stream. Spend so much time on. Yeah. I know. It's a hard time. Auch in der goische Welt. Wenn ich so goisch Welt meine ich zu sagen, der non-Yiddish speaking Welt, versteht man, als es Entertainment, in Menschen bezahlen für den Entertainment. In der jiddische Welt, if you're on YouTube, das meint, dass die hast schon Geld. Das meint, dass die bist schon gut. In auch die Jeden, was habe ich ihm zu geben? Ich will Räder geben, wie ich bekomme Attention. Ich will herangeben, als einfach teurer. Ich will geben, eine neue Building. Stamm, du geben. So people don't, zerrinnt nicht heraus. Und ob man geht, ja, ist mir schon schuldig hast, wenn du bist ein Kapperan.
woman is going in the pants. It's not allowed.
The problem is, not the problem, die Sache ist mit Spotify, mit Coffee, ja, die Geist ist nicht bekommen für free. Verstehst? In Wiggy Vibes, though, the stream, it seems like it's free, right? Because ich komme rauf. So that's how it is.
Is it cathartic for you to imitate these
So good.
screechy?
You pay for 1 hour therapy. Yeah, because the therapist is nicht for free and Wiggy sits do for free. I mean, for the people that watch, it seems for free. So, but if it stops, then what? Then they'll all be like, oh, this, Jens. What can you do? Like I said, ich tue das, wie lange ich kann das tun in affordability. Once ich kann es schon nicht in affordability, I'm out. Meaning, ich kann nur tun, was ich kann tun. Penny, thank you so much. Penny, understood the assignment. Joking. But I really do appreciate it. Again, es ist a weird dynamic zu sein, weil keiner kommt mir gut nicht. Keiner kommt nicht, you know. Ich tue das. But they understanding as, oh, this is entertainment. Let me pay for it. Das versteht man nicht. Das ist jeder einer zerknackt. In der goische Welt, in der draußenige Welt, weiß jeder einer, dass, oh, ich gehe auf Netflix, auch het watch ich Speed. So man schickt Geld für Speed. Auch het watch ich andere YouTubers, ja. Dan favorite YouTuber was redt van Rockets, oder dan favorite YouTuber was redt van Science, oder dan favorite YouTuber was redt van Sports. However, whatever YouTuber die is, schickt man Geld. Also wie die schickt van Netflix, Spotify, Coffee, Essen, all that. Sally. We should all understand the assignment. Yeah. Yeah, yes.
Oh.
Impossible.
Und sie nicht sie darf nicht werden als eine nebertige Sache, als it's just a understandable thing in den draußendigen Welt. Und bei den Iden ist es noch nicht herangekommen. You know, it didn't land yet.
Rabbis.
I love it.
Sally, I appreciate you saying that. I appreciate it. But it ain't free.
So great.
Yes. I mean, I am paying for it as of now, meaning with my Geduld Zat Koech. And it's a gray area. It's a gray area. Well, it's a foot and shadows can bill. Oh, you want to see this? The reason for us is do membership for, if I can go back, the reason for us to do gift memberships for $5 is just because of Brooklyn. Because when ich gegeven the channel, habe ich heraufgelegt members, sag mehr expensive. Weil ich gewollt machen Videos was sei. And then Brooklyn hat mir gefragt, how can we make it to do the gifting? So habe ich gemacht a tier. So, meaning to say is that, yeah, that's what I mean. Can't finish that off, you know? So.
Yeah, it's interesting. I feel like we had I'll tell you what I feel.
What's your experience?
Well, I had a lot of fun, obviously. I enjoy spending time with you.
And thank you, Mastermind. To shout out to Viggy for being here for free. It's nicht for free, Mastermind. Meaning, als ik hem eraan gig, oder ze kost mir geduld en koeig, but I appreciate it, you know.
The fact that you were triggered.
Yes.
This is not where I grew up, so.
There ain't nothing gray about it. Everybody's raising a capital. You're doing that exactly here. Yeah, I mean, again, ik ken een chicken kan bill, but... Viggy, what do you expect people to do? I'm not... Esther. Esther. The Schwester all the way from Canada. Hello and welcome. Hold on. Now I need to remember it. Hold on. Brooklyn, I'm not expecting anything. The regen me zoekt expecting something. Is it like I am asking for it? I would venture out and say that Sally is saying that people should pay for it because there is value in it. And if there is value in it, you should pay for it. In a sense. I'm just relaying the words here. I'm not... ik ben in a weird spot wie ich kann nicht sagen, ja, ich darf nicht zahlen. It's like a very weird space. Also wie man versteht, dass man sagt nicht ran in Netflix for free. You know what I'm saying? And why do you think people owe you? People, that's what I'm saying, Brooklyn. Since you can charge for them. There's no charge. But in the draußenige Welt, weiß jeder einer, to do the cycle that, oh, it makes sense. Ich geb mich entertainment, I watch him, ich geb. Sie kann sagen, wie ich komme auf sehr ungrateful, and that's nicht mein point. Ich bin grateful for the Menschen, was dann do. I'm doing it, and I'm gonna do this as long as I can afford it. And it's nicht kein Strasche, it's nicht kein Sach. I'm just being honest. Als ich darf schon anyway sitzen bei der Computer, meaning ich mach mein eigenes Cheshbonis, I do it, you know? So, in this is mehr so wie a self-reflection, meaning, hast du das enjoyst, es ist Entertainment, es ist whatever es bringt dir. Es ist schwer von meinem Point of View zu reden davon, so. And Esther, is a Schwester all the way from Canada. How you doing? I understand you're here because you want to be here. Ich bin du, weil ich will du sein, yeah. But ich bin nochmals weer a bissel was Sally sucht. In de goische Welt, so ich schon weiter. In den draußenige Welt, there is it's like a understanding situation. I can't explain it, weil since you can bill, since you can pay for play situation. That's all. We need to be man. We need to be a man. It's not all about can we take him to court. Is this instead of therapy? What's happening? Who's saying stuff? Wer sucht Sachen? You spent roughly group therapy for sure. To be honest, Brooklyn, wusse is, I don't know. I'm not saying what it is. I'm not claiming as is days, as Jens. I'm just I'm piggybacking off what Sally is saying. As die nimmst de Sachen I'm jumping discussion. I'm jumping the argument. As den draußendige Welt schickt man daran Geld, you know. It's like weißt du, die Menschen haben die board mit den Lines und man macht die ganze Plotting, so you gotta jump with me here, you know. Nicht vergessen, ich habe es sich herausbringen, das ist Sally do, which I appreciate, but Sally, you know. Never went to therapy, but this feels therapeutic. Oh, Penny, thank you. Phew. No pressure there. But I'm saying, jeder einer hat sich sein level of was hat es. You know? It's a healthy conversation to talk about and to be open. Penny. Yeah, about $1. The membership will grow and help you to make a difference. Yeah, it will definitely will. Just the membership happens to be, the $5 membership was only because of Brooklyn. My plan was to have the lowest, not a high number, but $25 just to, you know, if I have enough members, I'll give them content. But then Brooklyn will get fin schicken gifts. So I didn't have so I made it, whatever, I didn't, es hat so ausgekommen, you know. We should definitely talk about it. Vigi is too kind to expect money. No, but also I can't really, it's not a pay for play. It's, was ist der richtige Wort, was ich nicht, to be honest? Ich try zu sichern ein Wort mehr wie keiner Kind nicht gut ist, but I don't know. See what a mixed bag child we have become as a result. So very interesting to me. To see what a mixed bag childhood is what we have become as a result. I mean, the only way you're an adult is doorgegaan childhood, and childhood shapes you. I love talking about the not easy things. Ich da watchen, wo sich red, Brooklyn, meaning, ich kann nicht kommen von a point, wie in der draußen Welt, man a crash out, he's having a crash out. Ich kann nicht unheimlich schreien, du, und sagen, oh, you guys, no, I'm not blaming you, Brooklyn. Wow. I'm explaining, wieso ich bin umgekommen, zu machen a gifted membership. That's why it's called gifted memberships, because you brought it up in Chabaz Gemacht, which I appreciate. This is not Brooklyn. This is nothing a blame. 100% zero blame. I'm just saying, initially, when ich geöffnet the channel, ich gemacht memberships, wenn ich gekent machen memberships, you could only, when ich geöffnet YouTube, you needed to have 1,000 subscribers. So my goal gewesen, bei 1,000 subscribers, ich machen a membership. Und ich will nicht machen, I'm just walking you through this as I was thinking of making a little higher membership. Also darf ich weniger Menschen und ich kann deliveren Content. And I had that, and I think Brooklyn hat mich gefragt, oh, I want to gift memberships. So I said, okay, but it only works for $4.99 or something like that. So I made it. So I'm just explaining wieso ich hab the memberships. That's all. Brooklyn, thank you so much. Really do appreciate it. And it's nicht for me, I just want to say, it's a nicht kein pressure campaign, but I just want to, immer reden wegen, and ich bin the one with the mic, so. Sally! What's happening? What's going on? Brooke, I didn't mean it literally. Brooklyn is jetzt sehr, alles ist literal. Alles jetzt, wie steht? Send Vigi cash in the unboxing. God one, alles geht's? Good. Any unboxing? No. Nicht hand. We have to pool ideas to have increased views and membership. Okay, we could do that. I wanted this to go. Yeah, and I appreciate it. There's no Sinishka negative, Brooklyn. I was not coming from a negative. I was just explaining. So, these are the memberships then geworden lower. I think schmooze helps. Schmooze does help, but getting people to schmooze is nicht easy, and I also have to be up for it, and all that. You should charge us something per month. The problem with them, Sally, is as there's no going back to So when I gewollt machen the memberships, I would have made lives only for memberships. I wouldn't have made a live sort of jeden Tag publicly. The name pratik mache ich von members and stuff like that. So the money is coming in. Alles gut? You're saying the money is coming in. Totally. Hello and welcome. Eerste Mal sehen wir da Tolly. Eerste Mal, die bist du, Tolly? I think Brooklyn's idea is genius. What's Brooklyn's idea? Hold on. Let me scroll back. So that's it. I'm just saying. Where does this go? It doesn't have to go anywhere. Brooklyn. It doesn't have to go anywhere. Het darf sich nicht Gunisch darf sich ausstellen. In Gunisch darf nicht geschehen, in a sense. Tolino. Viggy, do a weekly live draw of $1,000 to enter, donate $10. So basically, jede Woche hat mir das kost $910. Totally, so the Sache mit der One-Namer, totally, that man weiß nicht, she says nein oder nicht. Meaning, it's just one name. It's the same way you give to Maser. We already spoke about Maser. I already said that I spoke to hires up and they said that Maser is okay. Okay, I'm done pushing. I'm done pushing. Just food for thought. Nice. Okay. Phew. Now we have to have the food because the thoughts are here, the ideas are here. But yeah, I meant Brooklyn's suggestion of gifted membership. Yeah, and that's what he did, and I'm appreciative. I'm just explaining wie sie gefunden. And I don't remember the point was gewollt, but well, deze gaan immer naar turn. Also wie Brooklyn fragt, für wie nennt man es, find du? Darf ich gar kein Ärger. Und sagen du, alles ist fine. You do with this information as you please. Just like, I think what Sally is saying is that if it's value to you, put your money where your mouth is. But second for me, it is a zaira beggarish azar. So it's like, ugh. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't doing this. I ain't chucking out. Do live streams on the road. This is the idea of fin travel that I want to do live streams on the road, you know? How much would you charge if we paid for? I don't know So what's the answer? The answer is jeder einer für sich, Brooklyn. The answer is jeder einer für sich. And es ist sehr schwer, weil einer, somebody looks at it and he puts it in one way. Somebody has de vergenigen davon, and einer hat jene vergenigen, and jener, he takes out from this and takes out from that. Just saying. So I'm waiting for a Hanukkah live on Purim. Nice. Okay, that would be interesting. Izzy, good morning. It's been a minute. If it's the value, you should pay for it. Even a small sum is meaningful. Even if it provides free therapy, we request a small fee. Yeah, I hear you. An unboxing of ideas once a week. So, Toby, wegen the unboxing, how it worked was that people, hold on a second, that people started asking me, oh, where could I send you things? Where could I send you things? And I kind of ignored it, weil ich nicht gave my personal address, right? So one day after this whole asking, bin ich gewesen, okay, ich ga even naar mailbox. Ik ga even naar mailbox. And besides for MCTS and Sally, and I'm sorry if I missed somebody else, nobody really sent anything. Again, not asking for it. I'm just saying, by the unboxing. And we hebben schon gelijk the address because I only took out a box for like 6 months or something, and it's gonna wind down and just gonna not gonna pay for it more, you know. I'm just saying, this is nicht complaining, this is nicht schreien, this is nicht bitching, this is Sally brought it up, so we're just discussing it. I sent you a books. You can show those. Yeah, I have it upstairs. Ugh. Tididai-dai-dai-dai-dai. Many of us have more than one. Yeah, Toby, this is nicht demanding. Ich weiß, it came out of nowhere here. It just, wie sagt man? Ich werde auch daran geworfen in einer Conversation in Studio Tour. What's meinst du? So, I also got thrown into the conversation, and I wasn't ready for this. And I also don't want to sound, ich will nicht herumkommen wie petty. I don't want to come off as petty as well. Verstehst du? So, oh, yes, I do agree. I do. I'm sorry, Brooklyn. The sunglasses, yes. Let me see if I have. Hold on. I have a picture. Hold on. Wait a minute. Darf noch du endigen, du, they. Look at this one. Brooklyn, look at the sunglasses. Look at this trooper over here. I'm just saying, this is nicht kan complain, this is nicht kan beten, this is nicht kan weinen. This is just, I'm just responding to the chat, what the chatter gesucht. You know what I'm saying? We want to see the other side of the room. Sind nicht du, was sie sehen, sie du 2 Matratzen. Meaning, es ist, nur they, wo sie sehen, is shine. Otherwise, alles is messed up. It's my bad. I opened this conversation. Yeah, I got. Mag geëffen de tier. En mag geef maar push eraan. Mag geef maar macht de tier. Like, deal with this. Livestream yeshiva. Alles gets. You know, mechanisch. And by the way, Brooklyn, I really do appreciate wo du das geschickt. Das ist nicht. Ich kicke. Das kann ruckiman wie ich pupu und ich sage no. Ich red ping bienk. Okay. You stop doing car reviews. Yeah. Honest gestopped. Things got into things happen, you know. Also ich habe gestoppt in andere Sachen. So. All right. I think we're gonna leave that do. Since du kan week van ending the topic. So I'm gonna finish it here. And jeder kan 10 met de topic was het af te 10. Jeder eine kan you know. Let's take a couple of days. And I really do appreciate everybody. Like, I just want to point out that I've been grateful for jeder eine was ze do. And technically, kippt me keine gunisht. And this is my own doing. Meaning, ich kim door auf live. Keiner staat nicht du mit der gun. Ich habe 3 aus der Kamera. Me zei, du einer staat mit der gun. Viggo, you better be live. Stay live. You know what I mean? So... But in the other hand, meaning to say is ich kick nur für mir, I could only do it until I could afford it. If I can't afford it, then I won't do it. And this is nicht kan strasche, this is nicht kan gunish, and I don't like saying it. And let's keep it all happy. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Sally. Sally, it's a healthy conversation to have. Yeah. But again, sie können rauskommen, von der Conversation kann du gehen 2 Sachen. Oder einer geht, you know what, they're right, it makes sense. Oder einer kann sagen, bet, in tiet, in macht, nicht zufrieden. Which I don't want that side at all. Don't hate yourself. Don't hate yourself, your hate. All right? Twisted words. SG. Hello and welcome. Late check-in today. Yeah, ich bin gegangen live länger. Just because of how du man ist gekannt treten geherig and Wie heißt das? Zum Beginn, begonnen wir watching this. Let's finish this off.
I didn't put my skin on the line the way you did.
So just to, just to end everything off, just to finish this conversation is, jeder soll team mit der conversation, was darf zitieren, jeder soll verstehen, and ich bin limited auf Sachen, was ich kann sagen, auf dem, nicht herutzig jemand begging, needy, oder meinen als eine kommt mir etwas. I don't think anybody kommt mir etwas. So, if I would have expected, oder ich wollte gehalten, als eine kommt mir etwas, it would have been different. I would have said, die kommt mir in die das mir geben. No. So, just want to say that. Izzy, what about the horn? You always get a horn, Izzy. You always get a horn. Izzy in the house. Nice.
You know?
Okay.
Izzy, I didn't give you a horn. That's terrible.
To me, it speaks to how real this neighborhood is to someone who grows up here. How, like, it brings you joy.
If I have something to tell you, Vicky, trust me, I don't tell it. Oh, yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good, Brooklyn. I kann nicht lieber Menschen halten zurück. Very good. That's refreshing. That's like a strawberry shake in the desert.
It also opens you up. Like, there's a wound there that's easy to pick on.
Right.
And that made it very real, and I appreciate that.
It's real. It's a real experience. You got to see it firsthand. What can I say?
Yeah.
Not my best moment. It's not good for my brand.
It's great for you.
Jetzt macht sich häufig von anderen Seiten.
To pretend like everything is her.
Peace review. Parshas Noach en Geider. Alles gets die Stammschraubsachen oder what's happening?
Back to my life. I'm an influencer.
We did discuss this at the beginning, that
Yeah.
there's pressure to pretend everything's perfect.
No, we're not
No,
perfect.
this-
We're all
A pressure.
we're been human beings.
Ben human
I'm
being.
just a ben human being.
What
Yes.
does that mean? It feels like
I made it up. Actually, my ex-husband made it up. Or somebody made it up. I don't
To make interesting content. Interesting content for dir. Like, how many people, if I make a vote, how many people wollten gewollt zijn Parshas Noach en Geider? A, that would be A. B, wieso put man es erop? You know what I'm saying? Can. If I'm too spicy, block me or kick me out. Brooklyn, dezelfde week wie die had geschreven, if I have something to tell you, Viggy, trust me, I don't hold back. Brooklyn, trust me, if you're spicy or I need to kick you out, don't worry, you're in good hands. And by the way, better spicy and better kicking, you have a sleep, okay? So, don't you worry, Brooklyn. I don't hold back, okay?
I use the word
I try not to be rude, but I don't hold back.
ben human.
that's what I thought I'm hearing.
Human being, it's like, oh, you weird. You put ben human. It makes it a little more Jewish, you know?
A bissel... okay,
You're
off the
take
rails.
that out. It's not funny enough.
Well, Shine. We're done.
Don't worry, Brooklyn. En dit is niet, I just want to say, het kan film via een attack of via personal zaken. This is niet seilig naar ogen brengt de conversation, de topic. So, ich schau mal an en ich gebe ein bisschen von de andere von de andere Saat, von man Saat. Like, why am I doing this? How long am I gonna do this? Was nimmt für mir? So, as of now, bin ich in trading school. Van mir. So I have to sit by the computer. So I do this. And I do videos for a while. So I do this. But if it's going to cost me and I can't afford it, you know what I'm saying?
At the end of the day,
I think
you're flesh and blood. You're a human being. You have bones. You have heart and shuma and everything. Shine.
Yeah.
Uh,
We should finish on Shine.
Eden's gered.
Shine.
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 Eden's
It's very
gered.
nice. We'll
Samen sind in Stadt.
yeah, we'll do more content in the future.
We come to my show.
Oh,
I don't know if the video will be out in time.
But anyway, we should
It's
put a
August
word out about your
24.
work.
It's gonna be a crazy show. It's almost sold out.
Nice.
So if you still want to come, I don't know if there's still tickets available, but
Also
the
put a
next
word
thing
out
is the
for-
Chazunas show that I'm gonna be on.
Sadly, just to say, those places, when you walk in to get your things, siehst du ein riesiger Zettel, wie viel es kostet, verstehst?
It's going to be
Which do is tricky.
September 20, and I have, it's Matzah Shabbos, Slichas, the second.
But please, ich versuche nicht keiner mal wegzustippen. This is not meant to push anybody away oder sagen. I just wanna Sally darauf bringt. Meaning, darauf bringt the topic. Pinkt jetzt du bei der show, du. So I just dug in and started, suchen Sachen, so.
Slichas. And I'm going to have it on my social media, so you can look up the details where you could get
Only in the Soviet Union are things free. Taking your life in the Soviet Union was also free, huh?
ticket. It's going to be me and Yoel Cohn singing Jeremiah Lockwood's pieces that he wrote on Slichas. It's all original pieces, and we're going to be singing it.
Can you sing? What?
I'll give you a little glimpse. I don't know if he would allow me. I'll ask him, but
Okay.
a little glimpse would be.
Free Airbnb at the Gulag. You get a nice view of the ovens. And if you look out on the left, you can see every place where we hang the people. Look at this view.
It's like the beginning of one of the songs.
Nice. Very nice.
Yes.
All right. Thank you, Riki, so much. It was fun.
Thank you. This was really fun.
Yeah. Thank you, Timmy, also.
And thank you for the cameraman.
Yeah, walking backwards.
Yes.
For 3
The good
hours.
thing is cameraman never dies. So even if you're walking backwards, you're good.
Yeah, you stay alive in the plot.
So spät in der Nacht, wir seid vertracht. Man schlafen nicht genügst, man macht schon, was sich wahrnimmt nicht.
Rappau. Nice, okay. Stark enjoyed this. I'm not gonna lie. This was very nice. Es hat herausgebringt chassidische Humor ein bisschen. Es hat herausgebringt die Live. Geben ein bisschen mehr zu verstehen. Very well, Friday. Very, very well. I really enjoyed it. By the way, the link to the video, guys, are in the description below. All right, I'll see you on the next one.